very convenient for you guys to using. And when we taking this luggage out, it will be very convenient to use. Okay, that's also in this area. So in the front here, we also designed a Tsa Coder Lock. So maybe you guys not see it very clearly in this area, but it's showing here. This is about the Tsa lock. So we can storage to set the password for your luggage suitcase, for your suitcase. And this is a three number like a password. So when you get this luggage, so normally the random password is 000, but you can actually to reset the password just very easily to press this button. Just press this button and you can slip these numbers. So you can using this lock here to take care your luggage into this suitcase very conveniently. Yeah. So that is about a Tsa lock. And now, so when I sitting on this luggage and when it can hold my weight, so some people were also very caring about that because they were thinking about, is this luggage able to hold my weight? Yes, the answer is yes. So for this smart riding luggage or apply it is 100% aluminum alloy for the total frame. So the total frame for this suitcase inside in the 4 squares. So it's all about aluminum alloy, so very, very high quality aluminum alloy. So when we're sitting on this luggage, it will be very stable and it will be very safe. And the maximum loading weight for this smart ride.
Hello, you guys.
Hi guys, we will start off live stream later moment. Please just wait a moment. So we will have to take some people coming and we will.
Hello, you guys.
Hi guys, we will start off live stream later moment. Please just wait a moment.
Hello, you guys.
Hi guys, we will start off live stream later moment. Please just wait a moment. So we will have to take some people coming and we will start very soon. OK， 可以吗？能看到吗 ？OK， 在正中间呢。往后 OK 吗？没关系，我一个人可以。So guys, just wait a moment. We will begin our live stream very soon. So just take your time and we will very soon to begin our live stream today. So just let me prepare everything and we will start very soon.
有买家进入直播间了。
So guys, hello everyone. Welcome to our live stream. So we will start our live stream today very soon, and please just wait a moment. Hello guys, welcome to our live stream today. So I will start our live stream very soon. So firstly, I have to introduce about our company. So our company is about the very high technology company, and we're producing a lot of the kind of the products. So today, in today's live stream, I will show you guys the most like hot selling products in our company right here about our smart riding luggage suitcase. So you guys can see here is one of our smart riding luggage, and also we will get another one. So those two are both 20-inch carry-on luggage, And also I have to bring you guys another one, which is the most largest one. So here we can see this one in the front. This one is 24-inch carry-on checked-in luggage. So it's a 24-inch, but it's not can be taken onto the plane. It have to be checked in. And also there's all about those three luggage about a smart riding luggage. And also another 24-inch, which is a quite big one. So I can show you guys in here. So this is about our SE3, which is a much larger smart riding luggage. And you will see that it's very, very for comfortable suitcase, and it's most suitable for the daily commuting, and also it's most suitable for you guys to using for the older people. Yeah. And okay, so I've already shown you guys a lot of the kind of the smart riding suitcase. So now I will like to introduce them more detail about them just one by one. And in the first hours, I will introduce our smart riding luggage SE3S. So this one is a 20-inch electronic luggage. So that says a 20. 点一下。
有买家进入直播间了。
So this one is a 20-inch electronic like a luggage scooter. So we can actually sitting on that. And for our legs, we can put in these small wheels. So we can use it to ride. And it will be very, very convenient for you guys to use in these products. So I will show you guys at first. So when we want to use it, we have to press this power button on the back here. So we'll make sure it can be used. And then we can sit on that, and we can put our like feet in those 2 foot rails. So foot panels. So we can using this smart riding luggage, like we can take in it very fast, and we can ride on that very conveniently. And not only go ahead, but also we can reversing like this, and we can stop everywhere we want because we have like a very effective like brakes. So how to use that and how to make it move. So I will show you guys in the later communication here. So in today's live stream, I will teach you guys how to use this kind of the products and explain a lot of the information about the suitcase, not only for the battery and is that possible to take onto the plane, because a lot of customers are caring about this question. And also next, I have to show you guys the certifications about our company's products, and also the battery certifications if you guys need it. And I will brief introduction of these products first. So you guys will see this is a kind of simple smart riding luggage. 对不上焦。And for using this smart riding luggage, we can actually do using this luggage. And here you see, this is a riding mode. It's more like a simple, like a electronic scooters. But when we press the button at behind, press this button behind, it can make this luggage broke. 坏了，不是没电，有电，没电了，电池有电啊。So it can make this luggage to stretch in and stretch out. Like this. When we press the button at behind, it can make this luggage to stretch in very conveniently. And also if you want to adjustable this height, also you can have like a barcode, open it can make this handles back here. And also we will have another trail on the back here, so we can clean it up. So when we're using this smart riding luggage, it can be used like the normal one. So you can use your hand to hold on that, and you can like stretch out to everywhere you want. And then if you want to using the electronic mode, you just need to putting this handle up, and so when you're sitting on this luggage, it will be very more comfortable. And we can lock here. So to make sure this control handle is stable on this way, and then we just need to press this button on the back here, so it can make this a smart electronic scooter to stretch out to be the using mode. So then we can actually sitting on the here, and we make this luggage go ahead, brakes, and reversing. So that is quite convenient. And also for this smart riding luggage, the speed or the power for this electronic luggage is very enough. Like the maximum speed for this riding mode is up to 30 kilometers per hour. So it can very easily to pass this like a straight out. So it can be very easily to go ahead, reversing or turn around. So it's a very good product for you guys to use. And the speed for this one were up to 13 kilometers per hour. So like the almost its speed reached to the electronic bike. So when we're using this smart riding luggage, the speed is quite fast. So we can normally to using it like just normal communication, like a daily communication tools, to replace your public transport, replace the cars, replace your bike, replace your scooters. So that is a very good product for you guys to taking and to using, because it's not only can be like the normal riding electronic scooter, but also for this one, when you're sitting on that the sitting side, behind the sitting side, it's got quite a large storage space. I can open that and show you guys how big inside. So because this one is like a 20-inch carry-on luggage, so the size is normally like the
有买家进入
normal
直播间了。
electronic normal luggage suitcase, which is 20-inch. So inside, we got quite a large storage space. You can put in everything into this luggage. And one thing's different to compare the normal luggage and this one, because we have like a motor inside this area. So it will be a little bit lowering down the capacity space, but it's still got quite a lot of space for you guys to store things. And in this area, under this like bottom here, it's about the mantle and this jet pipe. So inside we have to get more space for them. But otherwise, other space from this luggage inside is all for your luggage. So you can store everything you need for this luggage in here. So for this riding luggage in front here, we also got a small design, which is our like small packing area. So in this area, it's very, very convenient because we make it's quite big. So you can store your laptop, you can store your notebooks, especially for the businessmen, if they want to go to have like business travel, and when they go out, it will be very convenient for you guys to store your laptop and notebook or everything you need in these places. And also if you are like girls and you want to store other things, here is a quite large space for you guys to store your clothes, your makeups, your washable things. So that is quite a large space for you to take in that. And I thought if you go out only for 1 week, like 3 to 5 days, I thought this will be very, very convenient for you guys to using this luggage to store things and to taking them for the trip. And so that is about the big capacity of this luggage. So the capacity for this one were up to 21 liter capacity space. So I thought it will be very convenient.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yeah. And also for this, in this area, it's a quite a large space. So we can put in our computers, our laptops, we can store mobile phone, we can store iPad, everything you need. And also to make sure we can like to getting things from this area very easily. So we also get like a front open design, and it's a half open. So we can see here we got like 2 lockers in this side here. And if you want to go to, when we go to the airlines, we can actually just storage laptop in this area. So that will be very convenient for you guys to using. And when we taking this luggage out, it will be very convenient to use. Okay, that's also in this area. So in the front here, we also designed a Tsa Coder Lock. So maybe you guys not see it very clearly in this area, but it's showing here. This is about the Tsa lock. So we can storage to set the password for your luggage suitcase, for your suitcase. And this is a three number like a password. So when you get this luggage, so normally the random password is 000, but you can actually to reset the password just very easily to press this button. Just press this button and you can slip these numbers. So you can using this lock here to take care your luggage into this suitcase very conveniently. Yeah. So that is about a Tsa lock. And now, so when I sitting on this luggage and when it can hold my weight, so some people were also very caring about that because they were thinking about, is this luggage able to hold my weight? Yes, answer is yes. So for this smart riding luggage or apply it is 100% aluminum alloy for the total frame. So the total frame for this suitcase inside in the 4 squares. So it's all about aluminum alloy, so very, very high
有买
quality
家进入
aluminum
直播
alloy.
间了。
So when we're sitting on this luggage, it will be very stable and it will be very safe. And the maximum loading weight for this smart riding luggage is up to 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. So it can hold people with up to 240 grams. So that's a quite heavy weight. So when you're sitting on this luggage, it will be possible to using that. And also, if you want to ride on that, it will also be very convenient. And some people, like American people, that they want to be a little bit fatter or like a greater than us, but actually it will be possible to using that because we got a lot of like American customers, clients, and they purchased for this luggage and they said it's a really good product to use and it's a very, very convenient product for them to just as like a daily communicating tools because we using this luggage every day and we take this luggage everywhere and not even go to school, go to office, go to shopping malls or like supermarkets. Everywhere they're going to, they will take this luggage. Not because not only this can be like a using like a riding electronic scooter, but it also can be used
有买
like
家进入直播间了。
storage cart because we got quite large storage space. So sometimes when we go to supermarket and we purchase some very heavy stuffs, we can take in this like small cars because we can storage everything into this like storage space inside. We can getting a lot of these things for this smart riding luggage, right? And also when we go home or back home, we don't need to holding everything on our hand. We just using these small cars, small scooters to taking everything back to home. So that is a very good product for you guys to using. And for this one, SE3S, and I said the maximum speed was up to 13 kilometers per hour, and the maximum loading weight were up to 120 kilograms. Also, for the colors for this smart riding luggage SE3S, we got 5 different colors here. I hope you guys can see this Katie board very clearly. So for this Katie board here, we will see we got 5 different colors for this smart riding luggage. So first one, we have like a black one, and we got silver, we got white, we got purple, and we pink. So 5 common colors for you guys to choose and to use. So I thought that will be very convenient products like colors for you guys to choose. If you would like to purchase the samples, I think you can choosing from those 5 different colors. And also, if you wanted to do the OEM and ODM, I thought it would be also very convenient for you guys because we accept to do OEM and ODM. So like you want to change the logo here, or you would like to change the color of the suitcase. You want to print a lot of the image into this surface of the suitcase. We are also acceptable for that. So if you guys have any requirements to do OEM or ODM, you can contact us directly so we can help you to get more like solutions for you. So if you want to do customizations, personalizations, please contact us directly. Yeah. And next, one thing I forgot to tell you guys is about the battery for the suitcase. So when we move back, back here, back of the luggage here, we can see here is a battery. So we can actually to moving this battery out because this battery is kind of the removable battery. And when you're using this battery, it can be clicked here. You guys were checking the battery capacity right now. So here we got 5 different lights. Green lights, if you have 5 green lights are light here, that means this battery is fully charged. Also, if you want to only like 1 or 2 lights shining here, that means this battery is almost out of the capacity. So you need to change this battery capacity. And also in the back here, I may have forgot 那个 battery 在那个文件夹里面加进去。So here in the back, we will have a different. 加好了，告诉我一声啊。Here we got the information here. Is about our battery information. So in this battery here, we got the battery capacity, which is 73.26 WH. And also under here, we'll see the information about this battery. 好了，是吧? Okay, so guys, I've got one thing to tell you about the battery capacity. So I will show you guys the image here is about the battery capacity. So this is a power bank. So you guys will see here, it's about the power bank capacity. For this one power bank have like a 73.26 WH battery capacity. So for this one, you can actually taking that to the plant because under the limitation, the battery capacity is under the battery limitations. So if we have like the battery here, if you got a battery under 100 WH, that means you can take it to the plant, and the airlines will allow you to carry on this battery. Because this is can be used like the normal power bank. You can see here in from this area, you guys will see here we got a USB charging port. So this USB charging port, you can use it to charge electronic devices like your low-power mobile phone, your maybe your low-power mobile phone, your iPad, your e-books. So everything, every electronic devices can be charged by USB cables. It's will be allowed for you guys to using this battery can charge it. Also, if you want to using this battery to support this electronic scooter luggage, you just need to putting this battery back in this area, so it will be allowed this luggage to moving. So it will be very convenient for you guys to use. Because this is a kind of the removable bag.
有买家进入直播
So
间
when
了。
you're using this smart riding luggage, you can actually take two batteries when you go out. Because when one battery is out of chargers, you can take another one to be replaced it. So for one battery, the working like a running mode distance will up to 8 to 13 kilometers. 8 to 13 kilometers. So if you're taking like two battery, you can double that weight. So sometimes when you go to office, maybe it take like 10 kilograms. Maybe when you go home, maybe it will be out of charger, so you can take another battery, so you can get to your home or office very conveniently. Yeah, so that is about the battery of this smart riding luggage. So this one is our SE3S, which is a 20-inch carry-on luggage. So next we will move to another one, which is our SE3 Mini T. Hey guys, I bring it here. So SE3 Mini T, you guys will see, it's a little bit from those two because you guys can see SE3S in my right hand here. This have like extra space here, so we can have more space for our legs. Get more space for our legs. But for the SE3 Mini T, we reduce that. We remove that extra pipe, so we got more space inside for this luggage to store things. So even those two are all both 20-inch carry-on luggage, but SE3S will have a small space because it's only got 21 liter. But for our SE3 Mini T here, we got a 26 liter capacity space. 26 liter capacity space. Yeah. And we do not have like the extra pipe in the middle of this luggage and handle. So SE3 Mini T will look some more cute and looks more like a smart riding luggage, like this. And we can also to ride on that very conveniently. So we can turn around very convenient. And one thing that maximum are like the difference between the SE3 Mini T and SE3S, not only about this extra pipe or not, but also it's all about
有买家
the
进入直播间了。
maximum speed. Because SE3S it's got the 13 kilometers per hour, but for SE3 Mini T here, the maximum speed for this riding mode will only got 8 kilometers per hour. 8 kilometers per hour. Because for SE3 Mini T, we more designed for a small person or like the younger people, like the kids or something. So we select the speed. It's only got 8 kilometers per hour. So when we using this smart riding luggage, when we use it will be very convenient to use. Yeah, but it's also very like a suitable and removable for the riding mode. So when we using this electronic scooter, it's also very convenient and it will be moved very comfortable. And when I sitting on this smart riding luggage, I was feeling it's very comfortable. Yeah, so like it's all so very easily to control it to pass this difficult road. So when I using this smart riding luggage, I was feeling very comfortable. Like, yeah. Also for the SE3 Mini T, you guys were showing here, when I sitting on this luggage, you guys were checking here, the total frame. So for the black one, maybe you guys not see it very clearly, but for the pink one, you will see it's very clearly because in the middle of here, this is several parts, and even in the top and the bottom, and in the bottom, you guys will see it's 100% aluminum alloy, so it's quite stable. So when I sitting on this smart riding luggage, it will very comfortable and not weight, so it will not moving around. So it's very stable because it's the total frame for this smart suitcase apply is 100% aluminum alloy. So it will be very convenient for you guys to use it. And when you're sitting on that, it will be very stable. So that is lead to the maximum loading weight for this smart riding luggage, well, up to 120 kilograms. So the maximum loading weight up to 120 kilograms. So even you are 120 kilograms, you can still sitting on this luggage. So you don't need to worry as well, unable to hold your weight or others. Yeah. So if you under 120 kilograms, you don't need to worry. You are not able to sitting on this luggage. So it will be possible. And also for the surface, like the pink area here, we apply as 100% ABS and PC material. This is also very like a compared material, and we actually import these materials from the Taiwan and other countries because we want to make sure that it's a very high quality and we can use it when we're using it will be quite stable. Yeah, like I can open that to show you guys the capacity inside, but before that I would like to introduce you guys more about this Tsa Locked. So in the silver one here, it might be more clear for you guys to see that. Here we got a Tsa Code Lock. So when we're using that, we press this button. So it will be very easy to make it to show you this here. It's very smooth. And the zipper here is also very smooth to open it. So the Tsa Lock here is a 3-digit a 3-coded number, and when you receive this product as a send ad from, it will be random password 000, but you can actually to reset your own password. So just need to press this button and hold them, and you can split these numbers under this bottom. So when you get the quite right like a bottom numbers for your luggage, you can slip on that. So the password will be setting to the number you slipped it. So it's very easy to reset the password. And also, let's move to the next part inside pipe. So when I using this zipper, you can see it's very smooth. So the zipper is also very high quality, and you guys here see it's like a front open and like a half open design. So we can make sure it's half open because we want to make sure you guys can remove things from this luggage very conveniently. So when you're using this luggage, you can move some things out from this luggage, or you can take something in very conveniently. Like when I do not want to use in electronic mode and I want to charge my battery, so I just need to remove that and putting them in this area, like a small pocket here. So it will be very convenient to store things, and also I can take in them very conveniently. But if you getting it to like the fully opening parts, like here, like if I lock here, it's like fully open size. So when I using this mode, it will make my like the surface to touch the ground, and also might be something in the small pocket here will be stretched out because we do not have like something will slip to outside of my suitcase. So we design like a half open like design. So when you move things out and take things in, it will be very convenient. Yeah. And let me just put this battery back here. Also, if you want to use that, we can actually because to make sure when we have like the fully open side, because we want to your guys can store things into this luggage inside very conveniently. So if you guys want to getting something in here, maybe it will be very convenient. Like I can storage my clothes, I can storage my makeups, my laptop, my camera. So everything I need for my trips, I can storage into this small parts. I thought that will be very convenient and at quite a large like a storage space. And even for the current luggage, you don't need to check in because inside you might be need to take in some electronic devices like the cameras, electronic devices, your laptops, ebooks, everything electronic. You can't check in that. So when you have this luggage, you can actually start them into this carry-on luggage, and you just need to take this luggage to the plant. You can carry it with yourself. Yeah. And I thought that's kind of the product is very, very important for you guys. So when you're having this small stuff, I thought if you carry it with yourself, it will be more safer than you check in that. Yeah. And also in this area, we design like two small pockets for you guys to search some small stuff, like your small devices, mobile phones, iPad, or you can store some USB chargers or chargers for your other electronic devices. So you can store them here. And also for girls, we maybe have lots of makeups like the eyebrows, like pens. So we can also store them in this area. So that is quite good design for the inside capacity for this riding luggage. So when we want to go outside, we can make sure it's a half open design, so that will not make everything from this small pockets to getting them out. Yeah. So that is a front open design, and then we can lock this. When we close this, we can actually lock this zip into this area, and you can slip the numbers, and so other people will not open it. So just slip that numbers so other people will not open this luggage anymore. Yeah. And then when we go out, we just need to sitting on this luggage. And also in the side of here, you guys will see as inside we got a small space because we want to here making a small foot panels, so it can make us to putting our legs, our feet in this area. So it will be when we sitting on this luggage, it will make our us sitting very comfortably, like we running using this smart riding luggage. It will be very, very convenient. We moving it away, and we can make it very conveniently. We can move it very smooth. Yeah. And for our smart riding luggage, we have like one battery behind. Here we got one battery. Battery. Not that screen. So actually for our battery power bank, it's kind of the removable. So when we're using this as removable battery, we can take it here and remove that, yeah? And also in the front here, we will have like a red button. So it's help you to check the capacity of the battery currently. So you can click this red button. So you guys will see there are different lights showing here. If it's 5 lights all flash, that means the battery is fully charged. Or if it's only got 1 or 2 battery flash there, that means this battery is almost the low power mode, so you have to charge that. And also in the front here, we guys will see, here we apply is USB charging port. So everything you need USB to charge your device, a cable to charge your other electronic devices. So it also can be used like the portable power bank to charge your mobile phone, to charge your iPad, or charge your e-books and other kind of electronic devices. So I thought this one will be very, very useful battery power bank. Not only getting the power for our luggage, and also you can use it to charge your mobile phone. Yeah. And here in the screen, in my corner here, you guys will see we have like information about this power bank, and you can check this very conveniently, because in that here, you guys will see here we got like the capacity of this power bank. It's only have 73.26 WH. So that means you guys can taking this battery to the plant. Why I say that? Because when your battery have passed UN 38.3 certification and MSDS certification, that means this power bank is attracted by the airline. So when you have this kind of the certification, that means this battery can be taken up to the plant. And also for our battery, they also have MSDS and CE certification. On the bottom, that's the information in this picture you can see here. So we also got MSDS, ROSE, and CE certification. So that is all the certification for this one battery. So we did a lot of the certification for the battery, because we want to make sure you guys can using this very conveniently, and you can selling them in your country, in your target market to selling them. So it will be very, very important certifications for you guys to checking. And also for this battery, we not only got the certification for the battery, but we also got a lot of certifications and patents for this whole luggage. So like for the innovation, like the patents, we also have like a US patent, we have US patent, we have European patent for this smart riding luggage. And I thought that is quite important for you guys to knowing that, because we are the only one manufacturer in the world can producing this kind of the products. So we are the only one manufacturer having this patent, and we only so it's only us can like selling this producing these products in the world. Yeah. So we are actually seeking the distributors for our smart riding luggage. We are seeking lots of the distributors for our company to helping us, and we cooperate with us to selling this kind of the smart riding luggage to different countries. And I thought as well be very good choice for you guys, because it not only can replace electronic scooter, electronic bike, It also can be used like the normal luggage scooter, luggage, and also and also it can be using like the portable mobile phone charging station, so it can be charge your electronic devices. So for me, I thought it's a very, very good product, and I thought you guys have to own one. You have to own one, and even you try these products, you will see that's very convenient. So when you're taking this luggage out, I thought this will be very good for you guys using that. So that is about our SE3 mini T. And also for this one mini SE3 mini T, we got like different colors. So here in this Katie board, we were showing 5 different colors, and those 5 are the normally common color. We have silver, black, silver, white, purple, and pink. We have black, silver, white, purple, and pink. So we got 5 different colors for you guys to purchase. And also I thought that's 5 are common colors. So if you want to purchase one for your as a sample, you can choosing the color from those 5 different. And also for our smart riding luggage, we are also accept to do OEM and ODM. So if you guys have any requirements to do OEM and ODM, you can also contact us directly. Like sometimes some clients would like to change the logo, change the brand name to their own, to themselves. So that's also accepted. And also for the smart riding luggage, if you want to change the color of the suitcase, and you thought these 5 are very common and you want to get more unique colors, we also accept that. And sometimes people want to print some pictures or some stickers on the surface of the luggage. That's also accepted. So if you guys have any requirements to do like the personalization or customization, you can contact us directly. We can communicate more to how do we help you to get a better product to meet your requirements. So if you guys have any requirements to do OEM or OEM, please just contact us directly so we can help you guys to do more communication, to do more design for our luggage and helping to selling this in the different markets. Yeah. So that is about a SE3 Mini T 20-inch carry-on luggage. So I already introduced you guys about SE3 Mini T and SE3S. So next I will introduce another one, which is a small luggage designed for our kids. SQ3, please. So here, this one you guys see here, this are our small luggage designed for kids.
有买家进入直播间了。
Okay, I'm back. So here in this one, you guys will see in front of me, it's about our smart riding luggage for kids. It's a quite huge size because it's only got 15-inch. So with kids is very small, under like a 6-year-old, it can be suitable to sitting on this luggage and ride on that. And I thought this smart luggage designed for kids is very cute. So when you're using it, it will be allowed a lot of people. So if you guys are selling kids electronic scooters or if you have selling that kids luggage before, kids scooters before, I thought as well be a very good product for you guys to explain your markets to selling this kind of the smart riding key, riding luggage. So it just looks like the normal luggage, and it will have like a handle here. So the kids can control this smart riding luggage by pressing this button. So it will make this luggage move. And also this luggage here, this control handle can be backing down. So when you're using the normal way, and the people, your parents have to take on this holding on this smart riding luggage is also very possible.
有买家进入直播间了，
Design the handle here, so parents can holding here to slip on that. And also when the kids to using this smart riding luggage, you just need to putting this smart like handles out, so it can be used using. So kids can be used this smart riding luggage very conveniently. So on the right hand side, when you press that, it will make the luggage go ahead. And also left hand side here is a brake. And also when we press this two button back, so it will make this luggage reversing, go back to everywhere they want. Yeah. And also in this area, like the handle here, this is like a music player. So we designed a music player under this area. So this music player can play a different music. So actually we can use the TF cards. So when you purchase this luggage, we will send you, give you a TF card for free. So you guys can download the music and remember this music in the TF card. And inside we will have a small space. You can get the TF card in, so it will play the music.
有买家进入直播间了，
that you saved it to the memory card, saved into the TF card. So you can play the music in that TF card. And also you can connect with your Bluetooth. So it will also allow for you guys to play the music by using this smart riding luggage here. And also in this bottom, we will have like few bottom. So it will allow you guys to make the noise volume down or volume up. Also, it also have a bottom to make you to select to the next song. So it will be allowed for you guys to using this smart riding luggage. Yeah. And also when you do not want to use the music player, you can just press the bottom here. It will close the music player function. Yeah. And also if the kids are riding it or using this, they think this are not very convenient and they want to work by themselves. So in this area, also design a small like trail. So when they don't want to use in riding mode, we can put in this trail up. So we can moving this luggage by using the normal trail, like here, the normal trail, and the two rear tail or rear wheels will touch the ground and make its luggage to move. And it's very convenient to use that when you go ahead, reversing or something. So that's also very convenient for parents to taking this luggage. Yeah. And also, you guys, when we're moving this smart riding luggage for kids, you guys will see the rear tails will have lights. The rear tail, look here, the rear tail will have lights shining. So it's quite convenient for you guys, for your kids to attract other people's eyes. And I thought it's a very good design. Yeah. So that is about the basic information about this smart riding suitcase for kids. And also in front here, you guys will see, this is the storage space, and here is a door, and we just need to click on that. It will be unlocked it. So it's not a lock, but we can using this for storage things. Like here, we start like too close. We start like too close into this storage space. And also for kids, when they go out, they not only can store the clothes, because sometimes when they go out, maybe go to the park, maybe go to just like a small trip for campaign. I saw inside you can store a lot of snacks for our kids. We can store water bottles. We can store some like kids' the favorite toys in this small area, and also we can store some like some food for our kids, and also some cartoon books. So everything your kids want to storage and they want to take out, they can storage here. So I thought this will be very convenient for kids, and I thought it will be very attractive kids' eyes. And when we open it, close it, inside we can get a lot of the function to using that. Yeah. So that will be very convenient products for kids to using. And also for this one here, for the total frame, we apply is a very high quality PC and ABS material. It's a very, very high quality plastic. So when kids sitting on that, you don't need to worry it will be break. Like me sitting on that, if you are under the 50 kilograms, it will be allowed to sitting and to using this riding luggage. And also,
有买家进入直播间了，家进入直播间了。
Here we got the pink color, and normally we will also got white and pink. And we also got the blue one, but now we are not have like blue in stock, so we only got the pink and white right here. But if you guys have any requirements to do like other colors, you can also contact us, because we accept to do OEM and ODM. So if you guys have any requirements to making any change to the colors, or making change to like here the stickers for this luggage, we also accept it. So you don't need to worry. If you want to do OEM and ODM, please just contact us directly, so we can help you guys to making any change to this, maybe stickers, like the shape of this luggage, and also for this kid one, we'll also provide you guys a pipe, because here we got a small stickers. When you have a pipe, if your kids moving too fast and you don't want to lose your kids, you can get a pipe in this battle in this area, so you can actually to hold your kids. Yeah. So that is SQ3 smart riding luggage. So hope you guys will be interested in this kind of products.
有买家进入直播间
Also
了。
for this small luggage, we have a lot of certifications and a lot of patents for this smart riding luggage. Here we see in the front here, this is about our European patent for smart riding luggage. And also this one is the US patent for our smart riding luggage. So we have like lots of certifications for these patents for this luggage. And also SQ3, we got C certification here. We got MSDS. We got ROSE and UN 38.3 certifications. So let's make those certifications and like the patents and make sure our product's quality and we the service we provide to you guys, to our clients, to selling these products in different target markets. So if you guys have any requirements for the most of the luggage we provide here, you can contact us directly. So we are having this patent for you guys. If you have any requirements for lots of other certifications, like EU certifications for European, for American markets, like SPS certification for the Korea markets, we are also accepted, but just contact us directly so we can actually apply you guys lots of the certification for our products. And if you have any requirements for this different certification, you can contact us directly. So Tina, when you hand over. So I will take a break. So my colleague Tina will hand over to introduce more products to you guys. So welcome, Tina.
Hello, welcome, and I will hand on our live show. So my colleague Teresa need to take a rest. I should just introduce our SE3 Mini T SE3S, the carry-on size scooter suitcase, and also introduce our SQ3, the kids scooter suitcase. Yes, so we have the 3 levels of size, like first the 14 inches and the 20 inches carry-on suitcase, and also we have some larger size suitcase. So I will introduce this larger size suitcase for you. So Teresa changed to Teresa SE3T. Yeah, so I will introduce our SE3T, the larger size scooter suitcase. So you can see that this is our SE3T, and the size is 24 inch. So this is not the carry-on suitcase, and you need to this one needs to be checked in. So this is the checked-in suitcase. You can see that the shape, the style is the same with our SE3 Mini T. Yes, SE3 Mini T. So this is just like the larger size of SE3 Mini T. Yes, they have the same shape and same handles. Yes. Okay, so you can see that we have this one, the handle which is hide inside this suitcase if you do not use the riding mode, and if you want to use it, just put up this handle. So it is flexible and adjustable for you, and just press the button. Yes, here has a button on the handle. Press it and put down and put up. So it is quite easy and convenient for you to use. Yeah, and next you can see that here's our suitcase with it is with the power bank. It is with the battery. So you can see here that we use the same battery. Yeah, all of our scooter suitcase, ride-on suitcase use the same battery. It is in my hand. Yeah, it is in my hand. So, Teresa, could you show some detailed information about this power bank? Yes, because most of our customers may ask one question. The same question is that is this power bank I can take to the airline, I can take to the airport, or does the airline allow me to take this power bank to the airport, to the plane? So you can see that here is the detailed information of our power bank. Yeah, and first the capacity of this one is about 74 Wh. 74 Wh. So this is important because that we also got rules of the airlines which says that the max capacity which allows the airline passengers to the plane is 100 Wh. So you can see that this one is only 74. So there's no problem. You can definitely take the power bank to the plane directly. So this is no problem. And the secondly is that this power bank, we have passed a lot of certifications. You can see that we have passed the CE certification and also the MSDS, ROSE, and UN 38.3. Yeah, so this certification to make sure the power bank is safety for you to use, and you can take this one to the plane, and the airline allow you to take this one to the
有买
plane.
家进入直播间了。
So this is the power bank, the batteries of our scooter suitcase. And here we have a USB charge port. Yes, USB charge port for you. So you can use this power bank to charge to your smartphones or other electric devices. Yes, devices. So I will teach you how to use this power bank. First, that our power bank is outside of the suitcase and it is removable. So just press, put this power bank to the suitcase. We have a plug for you to, a special place for you to put this power bank. So it is removable and for you and easy take off and take and put out and put in. Yeah, so, and under this power bank, we have a turning on button. And beside it, we have a 2 USB charge port. So this port, USB charge port is for you
有买
to
家进入直
charge
播间
to
了。
your electric devices. Yes, and okay, so just if you want to use the electric mode, just press this turning on button. Yeah, so you can see that the light is on, which means that the suitcase is powered on. And next step, and just to put up this handle here, and then you can sit on the suitcase. You can sit on the suitcase. So this suitcase, you can see that this is the long length and the size is 24 inches. So we designed this for people, which are tall or fat, and also it can ride with 2 people. So I will show you that. And when you sit on this suitcase, and here we also have extra room for you, so your kids can sit in front of you. So this is a family suitcase, and so when you go outside for a family trip, so and take your babies to traveling, so you can use our SE3T, because that you can take your kids, take your babies, and your kids and your baby sit in front of you and you sit in behind. Yeah, so it will be really fun when you go outside for a trip and when you're traveling outside. So this is our SE3T. And then when I sit on this suitcase, I will not damage it, because that this one, the frame is aluminum alloy. Yeah, the frame is aluminum alloy, so it is quite hard, and the max loading weight of this could be 120 kilograms. 120 kilograms. So there's no problem that even if you are fat, and you can also ride on this one. And even if you ride with 2 people, so there's no problem, because the max loading weight of this one is 120 kilograms. Yes, this part, the frame is the material we use is aluminum alloy. Yeah, so I just ride on this one, and you can see that our suitcase is different from the normal one, because that it is 3 wheels. It is 3 wheels. So you can see that the front wheel, it is the power wheel, it is the motor wheel, and the 2 rear wheels, and when you sit on it, it will make the balance for you. So it is just this one is like a little mini tricycle mobility scooter. Yeah, tricycle mobility scooters for you. So when you sit on it, and you will feel comfortable, because this one is a tricycle mobility scooter. And here I just ride on this one, and so I will teach you how to control this scooter suitcase. So just to take a look that we have the
有
2
买家进入直
buttons
播间
on
了。
these scooters, on these suitcase, on these handles. So if you want to go ahead, just press this right button. Okay, so just press this right button. And if you want to stop, just press the left one. So it is a brake. The left button is a brake. And if you want to go reversing, press these 2 buttons at the same time. So it will go reversing. See, it is quite easy for you to control this suitcase. Yes, because just like go ahead, yes, stop. Okay, go reversing. Yeah, quite easy. So I think it is quite everyone can control this scooter, can ride on these scooters. Okay, so this one, and you can see that in front of me, it is rough road, and I also can go through it. Yes, go through it. So there's no problem because this one, if you ride on it, and you will feel more comfortable because the size of the this one is large, and the front wheel is 5 inches, and two rear wheel is 5 inches. So the big wheels, yes, big wheels makes you safety, and when you sit on it, makes you comfortable. Yeah, so this is the important things. And for this one, it is a larger size. It is a larger size, and you can see, so the storage is also very big for you. And when you go outside for a trip, you can put a lot of things, a lot of clothes inside this suitcase. Yeah. So this is our SE3T, and I just introduced you that this one. It is the motor drive, yes, motor drive, and the motor power of this one is 250 W. So, so which means that the motor is powerful, and this one, the max speed could be 13 kilometers per hour. So it is quite fast because of it has a powerful motor. And the battery we use is also the lithium battery, and the capacity is 74 Wh. So the long distance could be 10 kilometers. Long distance could be 10 kilometers. So it is quite convenient in the if you use in when you go traveling, and it is enough. Yes, it is enough because that you can ride on this suitcase in the airport, and also I think it is enough because the long distance could be 10 kilometers. Okay, so this is the SE3T, the max speed 13 kilometers per hour, and the motor power is powerful, and the long distance is 10 kilometers, and the max loading weight is 120 kilograms. 120 kilograms. So this is the specifications of this one. And if you want to know more details about our scooter suitcase, you can just leave your comments or contact us. Yes, my colleagues, Teresa and Amy will give you more detailed information about this one. Okay, so for now, for our scooter suitcase SE3T, SE3 Mini, yes, we have passed the US patent, and also the EU patent, European patent, yes, which is European patent. And we have got a lot of certifications like CE certification, ROSE, MSDS, ISO, yes, such certifications. So to make sure and to support our distributors to sell in their countries. But we also know that in some countries, they need some special certifications like the PSE or KC certifications. Yeah, so there's no problem if we cooperate with each other, and we will help you to pass these certifications. Yeah, and also you should know that the Airwheel is the only one who produces this kind of product in the world. Yes, we are the only manufacturer of this scooter suitcase. So you will never find other competitors in your countries, and our product will be competitive in your market. So just to contact us, and if you want to be our distributors, and I will provide you the good wholesale price for you, and help you to develop the market in your countries. Okay, just go back to our product, our SE3T. So I just introduced the materials of the frame and the shells. The material of the shell we used is the ABS and the PC material. So this part, and you can see that it is quite fashionable. And because for this suitcase, we
有
have
买家进入直播间了。
two colors, and this one is the black one, and also have a white color. Yes, two colors for you to choose. And here in this part, you can see that we have a logo. Yes, logo part for you to put. So some of our distributors make to customize their own colors, own logos. So we can change the logo for you. Yeah, for you. And also, if you want to customize the colors of the suitcase and want to do some printing on the shells, so there's no problem, and we can do this for you, OEM or ODM. If you so just like if you have these requirements, and if you want to do some customizations of our scooter suitcase, and you can contact us. Yes, you can contact us, so we can help you to do this one. And okay, just
有买家进入直播间了。
And the next I would like to show you is the storage of our suitcase. Yeah, you can see that the lock we use is a TSA lock, TSA combination lock, and the suitcase is opened by the zip. So this is the front open pocket, and the storage of this one could be 22 liter. Yeah, 22 liters. So it is quite large. It is quite large size. So it can put inside a lot of things like your clothes and the travel accessories inside. Yeah, so there's definitely no problem if you go outside for a family trip, and you can put your clothes and also your children's clothes inside this suitcase. And if you like, you can also put a computers into it. Yeah, computer into it. So our scooter suitcase, it is the front open pocket, and here we have a 2 little buckles. Yeah. So I just press it, and here you can see that we have two small pocket in this part. So it is designed for you to put some little things inside, and if you like, or something important like the passport or credit card, so you can find it easily, yes, quickly when you need. So this is the inside room of our scooter suitcase. And our SE3T, it is the larger size, 24-inch. So the storage is larger, could be 32 liter. Yeah, so it is quite large storage, and you can store and you can put a lot of things inside. So for this one, and we designed for a family trip. Yes, I just introduced before this one. Can ride with two people. And then you can see that this one, and I will show you when I ride on it. And you can put your feet here. Yeah, put your feet here. So here, on the suitcase, we have a footrest for you to put your feet. And when you sit on it, and beside, in front of you, you have some extra room for you, so your kids, your babies can sit in front of you. So this is the two-ride suitcase, two-ride suitcase. And here, you can see that this one, when I ride on it, and this handle, it is flexible and adjustable for you. So if you want to put up or put down, yeah, it is quite easy for you to use. And if you want to use the riding mode, just to put up this handle, and when you sit on it, you can just use the handle to control, like go ahead, go reversing, and stop. Yes, and stop. So it is quite safe, because you can see that this stop we use is the electric stop, and the speed of this one is not It will not be very fast, and you can control the speed. You can control the speed. So this one, the max speed could be 13 kilometers per hour, but if you do not need to go so fast, so you just press this speed button slightly, yes, slightly like this. So you can go some slowly, yeah. So there's no problem. You can control the speed by your hand, and if you do not need to go so fast, yes, you can control the speed. And here is we have the electric brake for you to use, and so the electric wheel brake is that if you go fast and press it, it will stop immediately. Yes, stop immediately. And if your speed is not very fast, and the disc brake, if you press the electric brake, and it will stop you slowly. So this is the features of the electrical brake in here. And here we have the handle. Yeah, we have a handle for you. So this one, the weight of SE3T is 8 kilograms. Yes, 8 kilograms. So the weight is not very heavy for you to use. Yeah, for you to use. And also we also have another trolley. Yes, aluminum trolley. So for you to take this suitcase, because we know that in some place we cannot ride this suitcase. So we have another trolley, so you can take this suitcase just like the normal one, just like normal one. Also, it is quite easy. It's quite easy. So this one we use, it is the SE3T, and here the net weight of this is 8 kilograms, is 8 kilograms, and it is not very heavy. So you can see that I can take it with my one hand, because yes, my one hand. So I think it is not very hard, it's not very heavy. Yeah. Okay, so this is our SE3T, and we designed the larger size of the 24-inch of the 24-inch. So this one needs to be checked in. It needs to be checked in when you go to the airport, and you need to check in this suitcase. Check in this suitcase, and do not forget to take this power bank of this suitcase when you check in the suitcase, because that this power bank you need to take with you, and take it to the plane directly. Yes. So this is the SE3T check-in suitcase. Check-in suitcase. And next, I would like to introduce our another suitcase. It is the SR5. SR5. So this is our following suitcase. Following suitcase. And here it is quite popular in the world. Just my colleague Teresa, please change it to our SR5. And could you please give me the rings of the suitcase? Ring. 手环在哪里？Okay, I'll find it. Okay, so I just got the rings of our suitcase. Yeah. Okay.不，都没电。Yeah. 行李箱没电，这个也没电，都没电。换一个吧，换那个 SC3 mini 吧。Okay, so just a little accent, and our SR5 is out of power, and I just changed it and to introduce our SE3 Mini T. Yes, SE3 Mini T. So I like this one because that this color is pink. Oh, this color is pink. Yes. So this is the SE3 Mini T, and we have the 5 colors for you to choose. And this one is the pink one, and also we have the white, purple, silver black. Yes, silver black. 5 colors for you to choose. 5 colors to choose. So I think that maybe some girls, ladies may choose that this pink or purple one or white one, and with the businessmen may choose like the black or silver one because it looks like more professional. Yeah, so it is colorful, so many colors for you to choose. And I just introduced our SE3T. It is a larger size, 24-inch. So our SE3 Mini T, it is the mini size of our SE3T. So you can see that the shape of it is it is same, and the handle is hide inside the suitcase. And if you do not
有买
use
家进入
it,
直播
and
间了。
the size is 20 inches, yes, meets the rule standards of the airlines. So this one you can take to the plane directly. For example, that here I just take this suitcase, and the net weight of it is 7.5 kilogram. Yeah, so it is lighter than the SE3T. And here we have another trolley, yeah, in the behind. So for you to take this suitcase, and if you do not write yet, so we have a aluminum trolley for you to take this suitcase, and it is in the back. Because this one it is our electrical scooter suitcase, and we used the battery. So our power bank, our battery is in the behind in this part. So this power bank is removable, and if you want to charge to this power bank, you can see that here we have input. So you can use the chargers to charge to this power bank. Yeah. So and here, as it is charged separately, and you do not need to charge to this suitcase, and you only need is to
有买家
charge
进
to
入
this
直播
power
间了。
bank. Yeah, charge this power bank. So it is quite safe and convenient for you to use, and you do not need to take this suitcase to charge to this suitcase. Just use this small power bank. Yeah, use this small power bank. And speak of our power bank, and I would like to introduce that our power bank is the boarding allowed, because you can see that the capacity is only 74 WH, and you can see this one, which is allowed by the airline, because that the max capacity which the airline passengers can take to the plane is 100 WH. So so this one is much smaller, and you can take it to the plane directly. And the next is that our power bank is safe, because that we have passed a lot of
有买家
certifications
进入
like
直
the
播间了。
CE rules, MSDS, and also the UN 38.3. So we have passed this certification to make sure that this power bank is safety for you to use, and you can take this one to the plane directly. Okay, so I just put it back to this suitcase, and here we have a red button for you to track the percentage of the power. So so for now it is the 4 light on, so it is 4, and if it is only 1 red light, it means you need to charge it. So this is the test button of the power bank. Okay, I put this power bank back to the suitcase, and yes, it's quite easy. And here we have a turning on button, and you just press it. You can see that this light is on, so you can use this riding mode. And here we have the handles on the suitcase. Just press it and put up. Yeah, press it and put up. See, it's quite convenient. And this one is a little small size. So this one can only ride with 1 people. I'll show you that here when I ride on this suitcase. And you can see that here we have the 2 footrest for you to put your feet here, and the handles, on the handles we have 2 buttons to control it. 2 buttons to control it. 为什么看不见我的脸? So you can see this one. Okay. We have 2 buttons on this suitcase, on these handles. So you can see that we can control it. It is quite easy for you to use. Like, I'll show you that if you want to go ahead and press this right button, it will go ahead. And if you want to go reversing, press this button at the same time. So it is go reversing. And if you want to stop and press this left button, it is a brake. It is a brake. So it's quite easy. Just only these 2 buttons, you can control the scooters. You can control the scooters. And here you can take a look at this material in this part. So you may worry about that if I sit on this suitcase, if this suitcase can hold on you in the what is max loading weight of the suitcase. Yes, I'll tell you the answers because that's the frame we use is the aluminum alloy. So you can see that it is quite hard and stable. And when you ride on it, when you sit on it, you will not damage it. And it is different. It is definitely different from the normal suitcase you could see in the market. And yeah, because they use the plastic material like the ABS or PC material. So it cannot sit on the suitcase for a long time. And if you sit on the suitcase and you may not damage it. Yes, damage it. And so for our suitcase, we used like the aluminum alloy as a frame. Yes, as a frame. So when you ride on it, and you will not damage it. And the max loading weight of this one is 120 kilograms. Yeah, 120 kilograms. So we sell this product all around the world because we know that in some countries, people may have heavy weight. So this one is definitely no problem, and they can ride on this one.
有买家进入直播间了。
we use the aluminum alloy as the frame in this middle part. And also this handle is aluminum alloy, so you can control it and you will not damage it. Yeah, you will not damage it. And the next is like, you can see that our scooter suitcase is 3 wheels. Yeah, 3 wheels. And the front wheel we use for our SE3 Mini T is 4 inches. And the 2 rear wheels is 4 inches. So when you ride on this suitcase with these 3 wheels, it will keep the balance for you and it will not fall down. So of course that it is like just like a small tricycle mobility scooter. And the front wheel we use, the front wheel is a motor wheel and it has a motor inside. Motor power is about 100 W. So for this one, the motor power is 100 W. So this one, the max speed is about 8 kilometers per hour. Because I introduced before, like our SE3T used the 250 W motor. So it is powerful. The max speed is faster, could be 13 kilometers per hour. But our SE3 Mini T is used on
有买家进入直播间了。
8 kilometers per hour. But I think it is enough for you to ride on it. The speed will not very fast. And when you use it in the airport or some other place, yes, it will be safe. Okay, so this is the speed of our SE3 Mini T. And here I just teach you how to use it, like the go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, go reversing. Yeah, go reversing. Okay, and I will show you that turn around for you. So when you go outside, go to the airport. Yeah, go to the airport, and you can take our SE3 Mini T because it is a carry-on suitcase, and you can take it directly to the plane. Yeah, directly to the plane. And we have also, it has the storage for you. You can put a clothes inside. So this is quite useful product.
有买家进入直播间了。
Outside for traveling, yes, you maybe feel tired, and you do not want to walk. Yeah, do not need to want to walk. So you can use our scooter suitcase and ride on it and take a rest on it. Yeah, so it's quite convenient. And next to that, we have the USB charge port on our suitcase, so you do not worry about if your phones will power off. You can charge it to the charge to your smartphones. You use our batteries of the suitcase So this is the scooter suitcase, and when I ride on it, when I sit on it, it will feel comfortable because that the speed is safe and the wheels is safe, and when you sit on it, it will not fall down. Yes, right. Okay, so then next you can see
有买家
here
进入
we
直播间
have
了。
the shell material we use is ABS and PC material, and here we have a logo part it have an intelligent flashing light, LED light. So you can see that here we have an LED light flashing here. Maybe you cannot see it clearly because it is quite light in our showroom, and if you ride our scooter suitcase in some dark place or in the night, you can see this light is quite shining. Yes, it's quite shining here. And the lock we use for our scooter suitcase, it is the Tsa lock. Yes, Tsa lock, and it is a combination lock, so coded lock, and you need to set the code of the suitcase and open yet. Yes, open yet. So it is the Tsa international lock. And the zip we use for our suitcase, it is a YKK zip. Yes, YKK zip. So you can see I just open yet for you to show the inside room of our scooter suitcase. For our SE3 Mini T, the storage is large and is 26 little. Yes, 26 little. So it is quite large, and you can put a lot of things inside. So you can see that here, it is enough for you to go for like a short trip, 3 or 5 days. Yeah, 3 or 5 days. So this one, you can also put a laptop inside, a 14-inch computer inside this scooter suitcase. And we use the front open pocket. Yes, front open pocket. So if you want to, and here we have a little two buckles to take these shells. And here, so if you want to find things out you do not need to put down the suitcase, just open the front pocket here. And we also have the two small pockets for you to put some little things in here. Yeah. So this is the inside of the suitcase I just showed you. Yes. So you can see the inside storage of this one is 26
有买家进入直播间了。
And you can put a lot of things inside. And the lock we use is the Tsa lock, Tsa coded lock here. And here is the handles. And if you do not want to use the riding mode, and just put it back to the suitcase, inside the suitcase. And you can see that this is just a small size. So this one can also use in your daily life because that the size is quite small, and you can put this scooter's suitcase into your car trunk. So when you go outside, go camping outside with your friends, with your kids, and you can take this one. So because it has some storage for you, you can put some food and other things inside this suitcase, and also you can ride on it and have fun with your kids if you go outside.
有买家进入直播间了。
With your families. So it is quite convenient for product because we know that Normal suitcase you can only use when you go outside for a trip, travelings, yes. But our scooter suitcase you can use in your daily life and also use when you go outside for a trip. Yes, because that's mostly I use our scooter suitcase and when I go outside or hang out with my friend, and I ride this one in the supermarket or in the shopping malls. Yeah, because that it is quite small and mini size, and the speed is not very fast, and I can control it. And if I feel tired, and I can ride on it and take a rest, and with it. So this is our SE3 Mini T for me to use. Yeah, for me to use. And for this product, that it is our Airwheels product, and it is quite unique in the world because that we have sell this product for about 4 to 5 years, and so you may never heard this kind of product before. And our company is the manufacturer and the only one manufacturer in the world. So you can see that the you can find us and to talk about this because in our screen we have the words like recruit distributors. So we have do the live shows on Ali.com to find some distributors all over the world. And if you have any interest about our product, and if you want to be our distributors, and
有买家进入直播间
it
了
is。warmly welcomed, and because that's the because that we already have some sole agencies in like Indonesia and Japan. Yes, they sell quite well, so we have some sale experience for you. And if you want to be our distributors, and we can tell you the experience and to help you to develop this market, develop your market in your countries. Yeah. So for this part, and we actually have a warehouse in Belgium, so we can or we have some stocks there, and we can ship the goods for you from our Belgian warehouse. Yeah, Belgian warehouse. So it is quite convenient if you live if you live in some Europe countries. Yeah, Europe countries, and it will take about 3 or 5 days. Yes, you can receive our samples. It is quite fast. And also we have our factory is located in China. Yes, in China, Jiangsu province. Yes. So it is a city nearby Shanghai. Yeah, nearby Shanghai. So it is quite convenient, and the traffic is quite strong for you. And we can ship the product to you from our Shanghai harbor. So it is quite convenient for you to take some to take our product. And if you want to be our distributors, and we can work with each other's like step by step. And first you can you need to purchase some 1 or 2 samples and to test the qualities and to test the market. Yeah. So if you think everything is well, and so then we can have further cooperation, like you can purchase for bulk orders. Yes, purchase for bulk orders. Yeah. So this is the how we cooperate with our distributors, and we can take it slow and step by step. Yeah. So this one, for this product, and we have passed the Europe patent and the United States patent, and we also got a lot of certifications like the CE, MSDS, and ROSE, and some other certifications. But we know that in some countries, they need some special certifications, such as like the PSE or other certifications. And so there's no problem.
有买家进入直播间了。
with each others, and we can help you to help you to pass these certifications, and all of these we can write into the contract for our write into contract to make sure. Yeah, so just to contact us, and if you want to be our distributors. And about the price, yes, about the price, I will give it to you. That do not worry about the price, because that we are the only one who produce this kind of product in the world, and our price is competitive, and we can give you a best wholesale price in the in your countries and in your market. Okay, so this is our SE3 Mini T, and I have introduced you that this one is the carry-on size, 20 inches, and the max loading weight of this one is 120 kilograms. So you can see I just write on it. I write on it, and it is quite easy for you to control, because that's the handle. On the handle, we have two buttons. We have two buttons, and you can control this suitcase, like go ahead, go reversing, yeah, go reversing, and stop. So the left one is a brake. The left one is brake, and see, that one is quite convenient for you to use, and it is quite easy to control this scooter suitcase. And here we have used this one to the airport. So I will just show you how you will do in the airport. First, that when you go to the airport, and you need to pass the custom. So when you pass the custom, do not forget to take off this power bank. Yes, because that this power bank needs to be checked, and you can, after this power bank pass the customs, and you can put it back to the suitcase. And then you can use the riding mode, and you can ride on this suitcase, ride on this scooter suitcase, and travel around. So here you can see that I just show you we have another trolley for you to take this suitcase, because we know that in some place we cannot ride on yet. So here we have another trolley. You can take this suitcase. Yeah, so like this one, just like the normal suitcase. So this is our SE3 Mini T, the 20-inch size scooter suitcase. So our company have another 20-inch size scooter suitcase. It is our SE3 Mini T. So you can see that these two have a little differences. Yes, you can see that our SE3S, which is the floatable. So for now, it is stretched out. It is like a larger size. I can turn it into a small size. So you can see that here, our SE3S. Oh, just do not forget to put the power bank. And here I just press the switches in the behind, so I can make this SE3S into a small size. So Teresa, please.
有买家进入直播间了。
Teresa. So this one, you can see that the size, I just changed it to a small size, and I cannot see my face. Okay, here. And the handle, it is adjustable, and just put down. See, this one is like a small size, and it is the 20-inch. The size is meets the standard of the airlines, and you can take this one to the plane directly. Yeah. So this is our SE3S. Also, it is a carry-on size suitcase. And you can see the size is small. So if you want to make it stretch out, and here it has a switch button in the behind. Just press it. So it will stretch out automatically, and the handle, you can adjust the height here. So yeah, see, I just make this suitcase turn into a big size, and then you can write on it. So this is our SE3S. It is floatable. It is floatable. And we use the same power bank. We use the same power bank. You can see in the behind. Here is our power bank, and the power bank is removable. So I just use the same power bank with our SE3T, SE3 Mini T, and also our SE3S. Because this power bank in my hand, it is the
有买家进入直
boarding
播间了。
allowed, meets the standards of airlines because the capacity is allowed you to take this one to the plane directly. And next that I have introduced many times that our power bank have passed a lot of certifications to make sure it is safe for you to use. So this is the power bank of our scooter suitcase of our SE3S. I just put it back to, and here we have a turning on button. Just press it. Yes, yes. So I just make a little attention for you, mention to you that if you do not use the suitcase, do not forget to turn off it. First, that if you do not use this suitcase and also turn on this suitcase, turn on this battery, yeah, it is not good for the battery. Yeah, good for the battery. And normally our warranty time is about 1 year. Yes, 1 year. So, in this 1 year period, and you have, if you have any quality problems, and you can contact us. Yes, you can contact us. So for this one, it is the turning on button. I just pressed it, and it is stretched out. When I ride on it, you can see that the space is quite large for you to use here. And beside this, the front wheel, we have the 2 footrests for you to put. Yeah. And here, when I ride on our SE3S, so I will feel more comfortable because that it is stretched out, and I can put my legs in front of me, so I will feel more comfortable. Yeah, and same as that. Here we have the control handles, and the front wheel. It is a motor wheel. Yeah, so this suitcase is 1 motor in the power. Motor power is up 250, so it is quite powerful. And the max speed of this one could be 13 kilometers per hour, so it is quite fast. And I can use this one to like go ahead, go reversing. Yeah, so it is quite smoothly, go smoothly. You can see that I just pass through this one, pass through this yellow line. Yeah, so I can just also go reversing like this one. So this one, the climbing angle of our SE3S is 4. Yeah, is 4. Okay, I just write on it. And see, you can see that the material we use for these handles, for the frame of our suitcase, it is aluminum alloy. So the max loading weight of this one, it could be 120 kilograms. 120 kilograms. So even if you are fat, and it can also ride on that, there's no problem. Yes, there's no problem. You will not damage it. You will not damage it because that's we have a frame. The frame is aluminum alloy. Yeah, and also we have to attest that as one of my colleague. Yes, his weight is over 120 kilograms. Yeah, he can also ride on that. So if you are not very fast, if you are not very fat, over 120 kilograms, there's no problem. You can ride on this our scooter suitcase. And so here the max speed of our SE3S is 13 kilograms, and the charge time of the battery is 2 hours. The charge time of the battery is 2 hours. So you can see this one. The long distance could be 10 kilometers. So you can use this one in your daily life, and if you want to go outside, and the distance is not very long. Yes, because this one can run about 10 kilometers. So you can take our SE3S in your daily life. And if you want to hang out, because that you do not need to ride your cars, and you can only ride on our SE3S because it is quite light, small size, and flexible for you to use. Yeah, for you to use. Okay, just to show you how to use our SE3S. And next, I
有
will
买家进入
introduce
直播
the
间了。
inside suit room. Because this one, it is the suitcase that we need to take it to when we go for a trip, when we go traveling. So I will show you that inside room object. See that the lock we use is the Tsa lock, Tsa International lock, and it is coded. So I just press it, and the zip we use is the YKK zip. Yeah, YKK zip. And here it is inside. And our suitcase, it is the front open pocket. Front open pocket. So you can see that here we have a little bucket. So this one, the inside storage is a little smaller. It's about 21 liter. So it is smaller than our SE3 Mini T, but it is definitely enough for a short trip. Of course, you can see that inside, and you can put clothes inside. Also, this one can put a computer inside, a laptop inside. So there's no problem for a short trip, like 3 or 4 days. Notice that it is a carry-on size suitcase, and it is only 20 inches. 20 inches. So this is enough. And if you are a businessman and if you travel a lot, and this is quite good product for you, because that you do not need to walk for a long time. And if you are in a hurry, you need to catch the plane or trains. Yeah, you can use our SE3S because the speed is quite fast, and you can use this one to take. Yeah, use one to take the plane and to take the trains. And also you can use this one to travel by subways. Yeah, because that some of our colleagues use our scooter suitcase to when they go to work. Yeah. So for this one, okay, I just show you the inside room of our scooter suitcase. And here, look at the shell. The shell we use, it is the ABS and PC material. So for this one, we have the 4 colors for you to choose. And it is the, this one is the black one. This one is the black one. And we also have the white, silver, and purple. Yeah, 4 colors for you to choose. 4 colors for you to choose. So I just use our SE3S to show you how to use it in the airport, because that it is quite important, and most of our customers may ask these questions. So I teach you how to use it when you in the airport. And first, that's this one. It is a carry-on size, and you can take this one to the plane directly. And but you need to pass the custom. So just take off this power bank, and because this needs to be tested separately, and after you pass the custom, and then you can put this power bank back to the suitcase, and you can travel around in the airport and go anywhere you want, and also take it to the plane directly. So this one is floatable, and if you want to turn it into the mini size, just press the switches in behind, yeah, and put down this handle here. So this is like a mini size, and you can take to the plane and also put it to the to the storage part, yeah. And the net weight of our SE3S
有买家进入直播间了。
9.5 kilogram. So this one is a little heavy, because that you can see that it is floatable, and the handle part and the frame part is aluminum alloy. Yeah, aluminum alloy. So we also use power. Yeah, we also use the motor of the suitcase, and this one is 3 wheels and 3 wheels. Yeah, 3 wheels. And in the behind, we also have another trolley for you to take this suitcase, because that we can, if you do not use the riding mode, and you can take this trolley to take this suitcase. Yes, because that you do not need to take this one because it is a little heavy. And for this part, and I will show you here is in the behind where is our sweater button is in this part. Yes, it's in this part. So this is our SE3S, and it is quite fashionable and one of our best sellers. For this one, you can see that in the screen we have the words that record distributors. So for now, our scooter suitcase, it is quite brand new in the world. Yeah, brand new in the world. And so many people may never heard this kind of product before. Yeah, but it is quite useful product, and if you want to use it, people will like it. So for now, if you want to become our distributors, and you can contact us, that please, because we can give you some support, like the technical support, also the price support for you, because that our company is the only manufacturer of this kind of product in the world. Yeah, in the world. So we can give you a good wholesale price, and we can help you to develop market in your countries. Yeah, and also for this product, and we have passed the US patent and European patent. And also we have passed the certification like the CE certification, MSDS Rose, and the UN 38.3 certification.
有买家进入
So
直播
for
间
this
了。
certification, we also passed. And if you want to know more detailed information about this product, and also some detailed information about how to become our distributors, so just to contact us and leave your comments here. I will help you to do this. And actually that we will do our live show 3 times 1 week. So, or maybe every day we will do the live show from Monday to Saturday. Yes, 6 times 1 week. So you can see us every day. So do not forget to follow us. Do not forget to follow us. And so if you have any interested in our product, and you can just follow us. So next time when you come to Ali.com, and you can find us more easily. And also when we do the live shows, and the Ali.com will inform you. Yeah, inform you. So this is important, just to follow us, become our fans. And if you become our fans, and we can give you a discount of our product. So it is more important in here. It is our SE3S. So next I would like to let my colleague Amy to introduce our other product for you. And I need to take a rest.
Hello guys, this is Amy, and now I will continue to introduce our products to you guys. Just now my colleague Tina and my colleague Teresa has introduced different models to you guys. Now I will continue to make some comparisons. As you
can see just now,
有
we
买家
have
进入直播间了。
introduced our 20-inch version, also our 24-inch. So for this for the difference between them, I will show you another one. You guys can see here, it is our SE3S. The 20-inch one is SE3S. It is a carry-on luggage. And this one, the larger size, it is a 24-inch. Yeah, it is a 24-inch. And this one, it is a checked-in luggage. So for this one, the first difference is the 20-inch one is boarding allowed, but the 24-inch, it is a checked-in luggage. You cannot take it onto the plane directly. Also, you can see the size, it is not boarding allowed. And for another difference, that is our SE3S. It has kind of 5 colors for you to choose. Yeah, I can show you guys. You guys can see here is the color for our SE3S. We have designed kind of 5 colors already. You guys can see it is, yeah, black, white, silver, purple, and pink. And the last one, it is a customized color. Yeah, it is a customized color. And if you want to, you can choose your favorite one between these colors. But if you do not like these colors and want to do customization, want to change the colors, if you want to be a kind of wholesaler, then we accept customization. If you want to change the color, then we accept. And we have our minimum order quantity. That is 100 pieces. Yeah, 100 pieces if you only want to change the color. And next, I will give you another introduction that is for our SE3, the 24-inch. For the choices of color for this one, it only has 2 colors for you guys to choose. For the 24-inch one, we have kind of black and silver. Yeah, black and silver. This one is black, and we have kind of silver one for you guys to choose. And you can also browse the product list. The silver one is in the product list. You can see the picture. And next, I will make another comparison. That is for these two. For these two, it is a boarding allowed, and this one it is boarding allowed. This one is checked in, and there is one similar. That is similarity. That is these two. They are foldable. They are both foldable, and I can show you guys how to fold them to a mini size. For this one, you guys can see in the back part, at the back of the suitcase, we have kind of position for the power bank. We have kind of position for the power bank, and the power bank, it is removable. And you guys can see under it, we have a kind of red button. It is a turning on button. And beside it, we have designed kind of button, click a black button. It is for you guys to control the folding and unfolding of the suitcase. If you want to fold it or unfold it, the first step, you need to turn on the suitcase. Now I have turned on the suitcase, the red light is on. Next, you only need to push the black button beside the turning on button. The suitcase will unfold. Yeah, it will unfold. Let me check it. You guys can see now it has stretched to a larger size, that is our SE3, and I only need one click again, and it will return to the normal size. It is a kind of automatically folding and unfolding. So why we call this kind of suitcase? It is a folding one, and now I will return it to the normal, to the riding mode. That is our folding function, and we only need one click here, one click. And for our SE3, you can see the appearance of these two. Actually, they are similar. And for our SE3, it is also foldable, and I can show you guys. from this side. Yeah, maybe I need to show you from the other side because the turning on button are on the other side. You guys can check here. We have a kind of red button. It is a kind of turning on button, and beside it, we have kind of black button in this part. It is a kind of click for you guys to control the folding and unfolding function. Now I need to turn on the suitcase first. Next, you can hear a voice. It now reminds you this suitcase it is powered on, and by the click the black button and the suitcase, it will fold it to a mini size. Maybe I can show you guys again. By click the button in this part, it will unfold to a it will fold to a larger size. It will stretch out, and you only need to turn on the suitcase, and beside it we have kind of a black button for you guys to fold and unfold the suitcase. So this the first difference, the first similarity, sorry, it is these two are foldable, and we only need one click. The first step is turning on the suitcase, then we need one click, and these two will fold and unfold to a mini size. Yeah, that is our SE3 and our SE3S. And next for the controlling, for the controlling part, that is for our handle part. These two are different. You guys can see for the handle of our SE3S, maybe you guys can see it. The handle, it is for our SE3, it has two buttons. Yeah, it has two buttons, the left one and the right one. It has two buttons for you guys to change the direction to control it. But for our SE3, and I can show you guys later. Maybe I can show you the SE3 first. And for the handle of SE3S, this one, the height, it is adjustable. And I only need to put my feet in the footrest part, and then I can sit on it comfortably, or you can sit it on it straightly. Anyway, it is up to you. Now I only need to click the button. I will move forward. Yeah, you guys can see.
有买家
By
进入直
using
播
the
间了。
buttons here, I can move forward. That is the controlling of our SE3S. That is the controlling. And for our SE3S, the handle, it is controlled by controls the directions. The two buttons, the right one is move forward, is speed button. And the left one, it is really easy, it is a brake button. And if you want to stop, only need to click it and it will stop. We use a kind of electronic brake. Yeah, we use electronic brake and press it, it will stop slowly. Yeah, anyway, if you use a kind of other brake, maybe it will stop suddenly and the speed will make you fall over. That is the controlling. And the right button, speed up, left one, brake. Using them together, it is reverse. Yeah, using them together, it is reverse. And about the handle, you guys can see the direction. You can use them to change the direction. If you want to the left side, if you want to the right side, you can change the footrest part. But if you want to move forward, then use them, it will move forward. And the speed, it is adjustable. The speed is controlled by controlling by the force. If you push these two buttons, if you push them hard, the speed will be fast. But if you push them like me slowly, the speed will be slowly. So the speed, it is adjustable. We have kind of an adjustable speed. It is controlling by the force pushing these two buttons. And if you want to change them, you can change it according to your requirements. Like in some park or in some scene, in some exhibition. Maybe you want to ride on this suitcase and want to enjoy the scenery or enjoy the scenery or amazing products. Then you can ride on it slightly. Hello. Then next, that is our SE3S. About the speed, the max speed I have not mentioned that its max speed is 13 kilogram per hour. Yeah, 13 kilogram per hour. So for this kind of suitcase and the speed, it is adjustable. You want to catch the train or catch the plane, or you want to use it at the airport. You don't want to walk for a long time, then this kind of suitcase, it will be the best choice because it is a 20-inch one. Yeah, it is a 20-inch one and it is boarding allowed. You can take it onto the plane directly. Then I will introduce the controlling of our SE3. You can check the video. For the SE3, you can ride on it. You can put the foot in the front part. Now I need to stretch the footrest part. And it is quite easy. You only need to turn on the suitcase. The suitcase now it is powered on, and click the button. It will stretch out. You guys can see it has a kind of powerful motor inside. And the footrest part, it will stretch out. Yeah, it will stretch out. And for the direction of our SE3, it is controlled by the handle here. It is controlled by the handle. Yeah, it is controlled by the kind of handle. It is quite easy. You can ride on it to pass different roads. Yeah, to pass different roads. And for the controlling of our SE3, it is for you guys. This part, we have kind of scratcher in this part. And you can use it to change the direction. You only need to scratch it like using a kind of rolling. Yeah, you only need to roll it. Then it will speed, roll it, and it will speed. Also, the direction, it is adjustable. You can adjust the direction in this part. So that is the using of our SE3. For our SE3, I think it has a kind of advantage that is the sitting area. You guys can see, since it is a 24-inch version, so the sitting area, it would be larger, and when you sit on it, you will feel much more comfortable. Yeah. When you go out and you cannot find a kind of seat, you can use it like a mobility seat. You can sit on it, and the sitting area, it is quite large. You can sit on it. But if you want to maybe catch the rain or catch a train, catch the plane, then you can ride on it. You only need to roll the scratcher on the right part, on the right hand, and it will move forward. And for our SE3, it has another special design. That is, we have designed kind of computer. Yeah, we have kind of computer parts on our handle. We have kind of computer, and it will, when you ride on it, it will show you the speed now you ride on. It will show you the speed on this kind of screen, or you can call it a little computer. You can see the speed. Also, you can check the kind of distance you ride on this luggage. And it will move to the larger size. Maybe when you ride on it for 10 kilogram today, and then next day, maybe another 10 kilogram. The distance here, it will show 20 kilogram. It will add the distance when you ride on it. So that is a kind of computer. It will show you the distance, also show you the speed when you ride on this suitcase. And the computer, it is also scratchable. You can scratch it to the front part, But when you write on it, you can need to scratch it to yourself. So that is the controlling of our SE3. And we have kind of buttons on the suitcase. For this kind of suitcase, for this suitcase for our SE3, we have write on it for 100 kilogram now. And press this button here, it will show you the how long you have go on for trip with our SE3. That is the using of our SE3. And for our SE3, we have another function that is the height of the handle. Yeah, it is also adjustable. We have kind of silver locker here. We have a kind of silver lock on the middle, in the middle of the handle, and when you open it, the height of the SE3 it is adjustable. You can adjust it according to the one that right on the suitcase. So for me, maybe I would adjust it to the highest. Then I only need to close the silver locker in this part, and it will be fixed, and you cannot move it. But for the directions, you can change its directions. You can turn left, turn right, or about the speed up. You only need to roll the handle, and it will move forward. That is the riding mode. Our SE3, the riding mode. Maybe next I can show you guys that has for the similarity. It has kind of intelligent lighting system in the middle part. Yeah, intelligent
有
lighting
买家进入
system.
直播间了。
Now you guys can see it is now flashing. It will change the colors. It is now flashing. And for this part, we also have designed our logo, our Airwheel brand name. And for this kind of suitcase, for this part, we accept customization. Maybe you want to change the color or change the color of the suitcase, or you want to change the logo in this part. We accept this requirement. Yeah, we accept it. And for our SE3, you guys can see another special function that is at the back of the suitcase. We have kind of 6 red lights in this part. It is for you guys to remind others. But for our SE3S, you guys can see we have kind of reminder. So this is a kind of special design for our SE3. So when you ride on this suitcase to go outside at night, this kind of lights will remind the others on the road don't to knock over you. Yeah, that is a kind of reminder. And for our SE3, just now I have introduced you guys that is our
有
riding
买家
mode.
进入直播间了。
And for our SE3, you can ride on it with your kids. Maybe your kids in the front part, or you in the front part, and your kids sit behind you. And we have kind of adjustable aluminum trolley in this part. And this kind of trolley, it will action as a kind of protector. Maybe you sit in the front part and your kids sit behind you, but you are afraid that your kids will fall over. Then this kind of trolley, it will protect you. Yeah, this kind of trolley, it will protect you. You won't fall over from the suitcase. But if you think the space is not large, you can hidden it in the suitcase. You can hidden it in the suitcase, and then you can ride on it. That is our SE3. You can ride on it with your kids, with your friends. And we have tested it. And for the
有买
loading
家进
weight,
入直播间
for
了。
the max loading weight for our SE3, the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. Yeah, 120 kilogram. You guys can check the part, check the middle part. The middle part, the material, it is high quality PC and ABS. It is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, the middle part, it is 100% aluminum alloy, and the material of these two sides, the two pocket sides, that is high quality PC and ABS. This two is high quality PC and ABS, and the middle part, it is 100% aluminum alloy. It is kind of aluminum alloy framework, so it is quite stable and sturdy. When you ride on this kind of suitcase, it won't damage it. The max loading weight is 120 kilograms. So if you are under 120 kilograms, you don't need to worry. You will damage it. You can sit on it. You can ride on it. Yeah, with no worries. That is our SE3. And for our SE3, you guys can see we have two powerful rear wheels. And for the rear wheels, it is quite strong and powerful. And for the front wheel, we have a kind of smaller wheel, but it is also powerful, yeah. And for the kind of folding part, this part, for the folding part, it is made of aluminum alloy. Yeah, it is made of aluminum alloy, and it is quite stable. When you ride on it, you only need to put your feet in this part, and you can ride on it. I can show you guys again. That is the controlling of our SE3. And for the max speed of this one, for the max speed, I need to move back. For the max speed of our SE3, it is 8 kilogram per hour. Yeah, 8 kilogram per hour. The max speed is not faster as our SE3S. The max speed is 8 kilogram per hour, but I think it is quite enough when you ride on this suitcase, maybe in some park or in some exhibition. If the speed will be much more faster, maybe it will not be allowed to ride on it. Yeah, maybe the others will afraid that you may damage others, you may hurt others, but actually the max speed 8 kilogram per hour, it is allowed. It is quite useful. And for our SE3, we have designed kind of capacity, and I can show you guys. It is front of open design. Yeah, the pocket here is the pocket, and it is front open design. You can also see in the video. Now the lady, it is now packing the suitcase. Now I can open it, and for our SE3, you guys can check this part. We have designed kind of TSA customer lock, international TSA customer lock. And by press the button here, press the lock in this part, and you can open it. It is quite easy and convenient for you guys to open. I only need to push this part now. The suitcase, it has now unlocked. I will push if you want to lock it, you only need to push them in. Yeah, you only need to push them in. Now I press this button. The lock is open. Yeah, it is open. So I will open the suitcase. I will open the pocket just for you guys to see the capacity inside. And it is a kind of front open design, so we don't need to fall over this kind of our suitcase. You can, since it is a kind of ride-on, you only need to open the pocket from the front part, and you can see here is a kind of pocket. And for the designing of this suitcase, we have a kind of 2 points that is quite careful. The first part, that is, we have designed kind of locker. We have designed 2 lockers on the 2 sides of the pockets. So when you open this kind of pocket from the front part, this one, maybe I can show you. The matters in this part won't fall over suddenly. These two lockers on the 2 sides, it will act as a kind of protection. And for the designing of the package of the suitcase, you guys can see we have 2 small pockets in this part. You can storage some small things in these 2 parts. And after you have packed them up, you can close them with our zipper. And here we have another pocket. We have kind of large pocket. Maybe you can put your electronic devices or other things that you want to need to take during the trip. And after you have packed them up, close them. And we have designed another larger pocket that is, you can open it with a zipper. Yeah, we can check the matters inside. We can check the matters inside. And you can see now in the video, we can put our clothes, put our camera,
有买家
other
进入直
things
播间
in
了。
this part, what you need during the trip or as the exhibition when you go out for campaign or other things. You can put the matters in this part. And we have kind of a kind of locker. Another locker, it is to act as a kind of protect the matters in this part won't go out. And then after you have packed the matters in the inside, you can close them with the zipper. It is a second protector. And we have another pocket you can put what you need during the trip. Then you need to close the two lockers on the two sides, so it will protect the matters in the front part. The pocket won't open suddenly. Yeah, now I have packed up my package. I will close it with our TSA customer lock. Here is our TSA customer lock.
有买家
You
进入
can
直播
set
间
your
了。
own passwords. Now I have packed up my package. I will close them with our international TSA lock. That is our SE3, the kind of capacity inside. And the capacity, it is about 40 liter. Yeah, it is 40 liter. Then we have different kind of pockets. We have designed different one for you guys to put your different clothes or makeups or washing clothes or other things. Yeah. And for our SE3, we have designed two colors for you guys to choose. That is our black one and the silver one. And the material I have mentioned, the middle framework. Yes, this middle part, it is made of 100% aluminum alloy. So it is quite stable and sturdy. The max loading weight is 120 kilograms. About these two parts, the material of the two pockets, it is made of high quality PC and ABS. Yeah, high quality PC and ABS. And for the
有
special
买家进
function
入直
of
播间
our
了。
SE3, that is, we have kind of the handle part. It is on the right hand. Yeah, that is our controlling part. And for the controlling part in this, we only need to roll it and it will move forward. And for our SE3, we have kind of a small computer. It will show you the speed of our SE3, also the distance you have worked right now, you have right on it. So it is a kind of amazing or a kind of special matter. You can keep the distance you have right on this suitcase. And another special function for our SE3, that is a kind of a reminder. Here at the back of our SE3, we have kind of red lights to remind
有买
others
家
to
进入
be
直播间
careful.
了。
And for our SE3, another function I have mentioned as the first, that is the folding function. Just now I have mentioned the writing mode. That is a special mode, a special function. Maybe you haven't seen the writing function before. You haven't seen the write on luggage scooters or write on scooter suitcase. Now I can show you the normal mode. That is, we can use it like a common one. And I need to fold the front part. The first matter I need to do, that is, I need to adjust the height and lock it with the silver locker in the front part. Then the front part, this footrest part should be hidden on the suitcase. It can be stretched, and I only need to push one button. That is, beside the turning on button, we have a black button. You can check it. This kind of front part, it is now on. Yeah, it has been folded. Yeah, it has been folded. and it has been hidden to the suitcase. Now I want to use the normal mode, that is I need to close the suitcase. I need to turn off it. Now the light is off, also the red light is off. That means the suitcase is auto power. And then we can use a kind of trolley. Yeah, we can use a kind of aluminum trolley to help you use the normal mode. For the normal mode, this kind of aluminum trolley, it is adjustable and it can be hidden on the in the suitcase. When you want to use them, you can adjust the height, and then you can drag the suitcase like a normal one. That is our normal suitcase. You can use it like a normal one, and it is quite stable. You can drag it to follow you. That is our SE3. But if you want to use a special function, if you want to use a special function, you only need one click. Only need to turn on the suitcase first, then fold the front part, fold the footrest part, then adjust the height, then you can ride on it. You can sit on it comfortably, or with your friend, with your kids, or other people. And the max speed is 8 kg per hour, and the max loading weight is 120 kg. The max loading weight is 120 kg. So that is a kind of detailed information for our SE3. Also for our SE3, actually, this kind of suitcase, it is also adjustable. That is, it has kind of special function for our SE3. You can connect it to our application, to our iPhone. You can connect it with our phone, and you can use it to play some music. When you receive our suitcase, you can download our Airwheel robot application. And if you want to download the application, you can only need to click the
有买家进入直播间了。
net, Airwheel the net, the website, and you can find a kind of Airwheel app, and you only need to scan the code. You only need to scan the code on our Airwheel app, and you can download the Airwheel application. You can find the link, or you can find the kind of code on the user menu. When you receive the kind of suitcase, you will have a kind of user menu. You only need to scan the code in this part, and you can download the Airwheel application, and you can connect this suitcase to our Airwheel application, and you can use it to play some music. When you ride on it, you can play some music with our SE3. That is our special function. So for our SE3, if you have any other questions that you want to know, you can send it in the chat box, send it in the comments part, and I will check it. When I see your comments, and I will give you a reply as soon as possible. If you have any other problems, I will move on to our another part. Now I don't want to use the SE3. I need to close them. Sorry, the turning off button, it is on this side. I need to turn off them. I need to scratch the front part first, then turn off the suitcase. It will help you save the voltage of our battery. And for our 24-inch, for our SE3, this one, it is not folding allowed. And the net weight of this one is 14 kilogram. That is the net weight, so it is a little bit heavy, and it can be checked in. But the battery of our SE3, it should be checked in differently, separately. That is our SE3. Now I will move on to our another version. Please wait a moment. I'm going to
有买家进入直播间了。
That is our another version for our SE3. For our SE3T, it is also a kind of 24-inch version. It is also a 24-inch version. And for the difference for our SE3 and our SE3T, the first similarity is it is both 24-inch, so it is not boarding allowed. It is a smart luggage, but it is not carry-on. You cannot not carry it onto the plane directly, but it can be checked in. And for the weight of this one, it would be much more lightweight. For this one, it is a kind of 9 kilogram. Yeah, 9 kilogram the net weight. And for our SE3T, for this version, another difference that is about the handle.
有买家进入直播间
You
了。
can check the handle. I can show you from this side. Here is a kind of handle part. And for the handle, you guys can see we have 1, 2, 3 buttons on the handle. But for our SE3, you guys have checked that we only need a kind of roller and we have kind of computer in the middle part. But for our SE3T, we didn't have a kind of computer. And for our SE3, it is, and the footrest part, we didn't have a kind of folding part. And the footrest, it is on the suitcase. Yeah, these two footrest, you can put your feet when you ride on the suitcase. Yeah, you can ride on it. That is our SE3. And for the controlling of our SE3, it is quite easy. It is the same with our SE3S. It is use these 2 buttons to adjust the speed. And you guys can check this part. For the middle button, it is for you
有
guys
买
to
家进入
lift
直播间了。
up the handle, also lift down. Yeah, lift up and down the handle. And for the 2 buttons, the left one and the right one, the right one, it is a kind of speed button. It is a speed button. And the left one, it is a brake button. And by using these 2 buttons together, it is a kind of reverse. Now I can show you guys. When you ride on it, put your feet on the footrest part. If you want to move forward, use your right hand right button. And the left one, if you want to stop, it is a brake button. And by pushing them together, you will reverse. But when you reverse, you need to pay attention to your back. Don't knock onto other matters or obstacles. You need to be careful. Now, right button, speed, left, brake. If you want to stop, you need to press this button. And we use our electronic brake. It won't stop suddenly. It will stop slowly. That is our electronic brake. And the left one is move forward button, left brake. By using them together, it is a reverse button. Right, move forward, left brake, together, reverse. So it is quite easy, quite convenient for you guys to adjust how to ride on this suitcase. You only need to remember 3 words: right, speed, left, stop,
有买家进入直播间了。
brake. So it is quite easy for you guys to learn it because you guys are so clever. Yeah, you guys are so clever. And for a kind of handle part, we have kind of protector. When you scratch on the handle part, it is not kind of smooth. It have kind of rough. Then your hand won't be lose the suitcase, lose the handle part. And for our SE3T, about the color, it has kind of 2 colors, and I can show you with a larger version. It has 2 colors for our SE3T. I'm going to pick up this version. You guys can check here. we have kind of SE3T, and it has two colors for the color. We have two versions, two choices. The first one is this one. You can check the black one. Yeah, black one, the one in front of me. That is the black one. And we also have a white one. Yeah, we have these two colors for you guys to choose. And about the color, we also accept customization. If you want to change the color, yeah, we accept it. Maybe you think this black and white color are too common, and you want to make some special color, and you want to make some special color that may be popular in your country. Yeah, we accept customization. That is, but we should have our minimum order quantity. For our minimum order quantity, it is 100 pieces. If you want to change the color, yeah. If you want to make some wholesale or want to become distributors, yeah, and you want to find some popular color in your country, you can change it. And for our SE3T, right now we have only two colors for you guys to choose. And next, for our SE3T, you guys can see, I can show you its capacity. You guys can see for the difference between our SE3, the turning on button. You can check the turning on button. It is different. It is
有买家进入直播间了。
at the back of the suitcase. At the back of the suitcase, we have a red button. We have kind of turning on button here in this part, and beside it, we have designed a kind of cover. Yeah, open the cover. You guys can check in this part. Actually, we have designed two USB charging ports in this part. We have designed two USB charging ports. And if you want to, during the trip, your electronic devices, your phone, your iPad may be out of power, and you only need to, you can charge it with our USB charging ports in this part. You only need to take a kind of USB cable. And now I want to show you guys. I have turned on the suitcase. I can show you its capacity. The capacity, it is closed by our international customer lock. It is closed by our international customer lock. And in this part, you guys can see the TSA customer lock. It is in the front pocket. Beside the front pocket, we have our international TSA customer lock. You can set your own passwords.
有买家进入直
And
播间
when
了。
you have packed up your suitcase, pack up your luggage, you can close it with our TSA customer lock. And when you want to open it, you only need one to push it. The suitcase will be open when you use the right passwords. Now I will show you the inside. The capacity of our SE3T, it is 48 liter. Yeah, it is 48 liter. So it is quite enough for you, maybe you too. This kind of suitcase you can use with your family members, with your kids, with your friend. You guys can see here is a 24-inch. And we also have a careful design, that is we have kind of locker in this part. We have kind of locker. And by click the two lockers, the front pocket will open. Yeah. So is a kind of protector. It will protect the mattress in the front part. So the mattress in this part won't go out suddenly. And about the storage, we have designed
有买
kind
家
of
进入直播间了。
storage. Yeah, we have designed two pockets in this part. A smaller one. It is designed for the position for the power bank. Yeah, you guys can see. I can remove our power bank and show you guys. This power bank, it is removable. And here is the position for the power bank. I can put them in and lock them with the sticker, so the power bank won't go out suddenly. And beside it, we have a smaller one. It is a kind also have a sticker. So when you have pack up your matters in this part and close it with a sticker, so it won't open. Yeah, the matter inside won't open suddenly. And next, it is about the inside part. You can check it. It has quite large space. It has quite large capacity, and you can storage you can store your clothes or other like another shoe or computer or other things in the first part. That is our SE3T.
有买家进入直播间了。
48 liter. Yeah, 48 liter. So for this kind of capacity, it is quite enough for you guys when you go out for a kind of trip or you want to ride on this kind of suitcase for a campaign and you want to may bring some any snacks, any food or some heavy waters and you don't need to carry them because they are heavy. And you only need to put them on the suitcase in the suitcase and close them with our Tsa customer lock. So you don't need to carry the heavy matters. It would be really friendly to some ladies because actually the heavy things, it is quite difficult for us to carry. Then when you go out, you can put the kind of your matters inside. Sorry, I forgot one thing. That is, I forgot to take out my power bank. The power bank is still in the suitcase. I forgot to take it out. Oh, there is my power bank. Sorry,
有买家进入直播间了。
Here is my power bank. I forgot to take it out. And I will close it with our Tsa customer lock. And for our power bank, it is removable. Yeah, you only need to lift up the trolley in this part and you can plug it to the original space. It is removable. You can put it to the original space, but if you want to use it, you only need to slide it up. And for our power bank, you guys can see you can use it like a common one. We have designed USB charging ports in this part, and the capacity it is 48 liter. It raise up, show them the battery information. Yeah, SE3T. And that is our SE3T, the battery information. Here is the USB charging ports, and beside it is a kind of charging port for the battery. When the battery is out of power, you can use it. And for our battery, you can also see the kind of, we have kind of turning on button. And for the front part, we have kind of red button in this part. It acts as a kind of reminder, and by press it, you can see the capacity of the battery. Yeah, you can see the capacity. Now, this battery, the all lights are on. That means this battery, this power bank is fully charged. And when you press it and there is only one light, then the light should be red. And it will remind you you need to charge the battery. So this part acts as a kind of reminder of the voltage of the power bank. And the capacity of this one, it is about 74 Wh. Yeah, it is about 74 Wh, and you can check the information in the under the kind of screen. And according to the rules of the airlines, if I want to take the power bank onto the plane directly, the capacity should under 120 Wh. But for our power bank, it is about 74 Wh. So it is boarding allowed. Yeah, it is boarding allowed. And for our power bank, we have also passed some certifications. Now I can show you guys. Wait a moment. I can show you some capacity, some certifications. Just wait a moment. I'm going to click on some certifications. What? I don't need it. That is our certifications. This is a kind of CE certification. Yeah, our CE certification for our power bank. And we also have passed, you can check UN 38.3, MSDS, ROSE, and CE. That we have passed so many different certifications. For the UN 38.3, it is a kind of safety test. Yeah, it is a kind of safety test report. If you want to take the power bank onto the plane directly, you need to pass the kind of certifications. And next, MSDS and ROSE certification. When you sell this kind of electronic products, you need to pass these certifications. And we also have got our CE certification. If you want to know more details about the CE certification, you can go to our homepage and you can browse certifications in this part. And for this kind of ride-on luggage, we have got the patent. Yeah, we have got the patent for the riding luggage. So this kind of suitcase, it is unique. Only Airwheel can produce this kind of suitcase because we have got the US patent, also the European patent. And for this kind of ride-on luggage, another information I forgot to mention, that is, it is about our loading weight. When you want to ride on this suitcase, the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. So if you are under 120 kilogram, you can ride on it and you won't damage the
有买家进入
suitcase.
直播间了。
Max loading weight 120 kilogram. And for this kind of SE3T, for our SE3T, the max speed is 8 kilogram power. Yeah, 8 kilogram power. And for this SE3T, the most advantage, the largest advantage, that is its capacity. It has 48, and the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. The max speed is 8 kilogram power. Yeah, 8 kilogram power. And the speed, it is adjustable. And for the controlling, it is quite easy. Right button, speed, left one, stop, brake button together, that is reverse. And the speed, it is adjustable by pressing the two buttons. If you push them in with large force or with little force, the speed will be different. So the speed, it is adjustable. It is up to you. You can adjust it according to different conditions. Maybe you need to catch the plane, catch the train. You can ride on this suitcase with the push them hard, and the speed will be the fastest. And if you want to enjoy the trip and you don't need to catch up anything, yeah, you can ride on it slightly. You can enjoy your trip. You can enjoy your scenery. That is our SE3T. Also, this kind of suitcase, it is also suitable in some shopping mall. Yeah, when you have when you're shopping, you can put what you have bought in the suitcase. Then you can ride on the suitcase and move on to another shop. Yeah, so that is the kind of newest way for you guys to do some shopping in the large shopping mall or in the supermarket, because you don't need to carry the heavy things or carry the clothes. You can storage the matters inside.
有买家进
You
入直
don't
播
need
间
to
了。
carry them. So it would be convenient for you guys. That is our SE3T. And our SE3T for this kind of suitcase, and I think the most suitable condition, the most suitable position you can use it, it is a shopping mall or the kind of park, yeah, or kind of exhibition. Now you can see the video we use in the exhibition. We can put we want to take in the suitcase, then ride on the suitcase as an exhibition, I can enjoy different products to different exhibition halls, and I don't need to work. And for the battery, another function, another information I forgot to mention, that is about the charging time. The charging time is 2 hours. You only need 2 hours to fully charge them. That is the charging time. And when you have fully charged this power bank, you can ride on this suitcase from 10 to 15 kilogram. Yeah, 10 to 15 kilogram. That is the distance you can ride on this suitcase. Maybe when you ride on this suitcase and want to charge them at the same time, maybe the distance would be shorter, will be. So the distance, it is also up to you. So we have a kind of distance ranges. And if you have any questions about the price, about the MLQ, or other different questions about the product, you can type it in the comments and I will check it. If you have any other problems, you can also leave messages to us. You can send private messages to us and I will give you a reply as soon as possible after the online show. And for this kind of SE3T, it is in stock in China. So if you want to buy it for your own use, or you want to get them for sample test, we will deliver the goods to you guys from our Chinese stock. And we are located in Changzhou. We are located in Changzhou. It is a city near Shanghai. It is a city near Shanghai. So if you want to get this kind of product, maybe you guys have kind of forwarder in China or agent in China, or you didn't have got agent, and we can send you by using our international express delivery, or for large quantities, maybe we can deliver the goods to you by sea or by air. If you want to get the product as soon as possible, we can also send the product to you by air. So the delivery ways, it is according to you. If you can afford the high
有买家
cost,
进入直播间了。
we can deliver the goods to you by using your kind of shipping delivery. And maybe right now, because of the COVID-19, maybe the delivery time will be a little bit longer. That is our SE3T. A 24-inch checked-in luggage. A 24-inch checked-in luggage. So if you guys have any questions about this product, you can send private messages to us, and then we will give you a detailed description, or we can send you the video. And recently, we are sincerely recruiting distributors. So if you are interested in this idea and want to know more details to how to become our distributors, you can contact us and we will tell you more details, and we can cooperate together to make profits together. So if you are interested in this idea, please contact us, and we will make our online show every 6 times a week. That is from Monday to Saturday. We will make our online show. So if you guys have any questions about
有
our
买家进入
products,
直
you
播
can
间了。
contact us anytime you want. Anytime. So my colleague and we are waiting for your contact, and we are waiting for the following. So today it is now it is time to say goodbye to you guys. It is time to say goodbye, and we have made our online show for 3 hours right now. So if you want to check the kind of the video, and we will end our online show right now, you can see the replay of our online show. And when you have different problems, you can contact us. So it is time to say goodbye. Let's see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. See you next time.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys. Hi guys, we will start our live stream later moment. Please just wait a moment. So we will have to take some people coming and we will start very soon. Okay. 可以吗？能看到吗？ OK OK， 在正中间吗？往后 OK 吗？没关系，我一个人可以。So guys, just wait a moment. We will begin our live stream very soon. So just take your time and we will very soon to begin our live stream today. So just let me prepare everything and we will start very soon.
有买家进入直播间了。
So guys, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our live stream. So we will start our live stream today very soon and please just wait a moment. Hello guys, welcome to our live stream today. So I will start our live stream very soon. So firstly, I have to introduce about our company. So our company is about the very high technology company and we're producing a lot of the kind of the products. So today in today's live stream, I will show you guys the most like hot selling products in our company right here about our smart riding luggage suitcase. So you guys can see here is one of our smart riding luggage. And also we will get another one. So those two are both 20-inch carry-on luggage, both 20-inch carry-on luggage. And also I have to bring you guys another one, which is the most largest one. So here we can see this one in the front. This one is 24-inch carry-on checked-in luggage. So it's a 24-inch, but it's not can be taken onto the plane. It have to be checked in. And also there's all about those three luggage about a smart riding luggage. And also another 24-inch, which is a quite big one. So I can show you guys in here. So this is about our SE3, which is a much larger smart riding luggage. And you will see that it's very, very for comfortable suitcase, and it's most suitable for the daily commuting, and also it's most suitable for you guys to using for the older people. Yeah. And okay, so I've already shown you guys a lot of the kind of the smart riding suitcase. So now I will like to introduce them more detail about them, just one by one. And in the first hours, I will introduce our smart riding luggage SE3S. So this one is a 20-inch electronic luggage. So that is a 20. 点一下。
有买家进入直播间了。
So this one is a 20-inch electronic like a luggage scooter. So we can actually sitting on that. And for our legs, we can put in these small wheels. So we can use it to ride. And it will be very, very convenient for you guys to use in these products. So I will show you guys at first. So when we want to use it, we have to press this power button on the back here. So we'll make sure it can be used. And then we can sit on that and we can put our like feet in those 2 foot rails. So foot panels. So we can use in this smart riding luggage. Like we can take in it very fast and we can ride on that very conveniently. And not only go ahead, but also we can reversing like this, and we can stop everywhere we want because we have like a very effective like brakes. So how to use that and how to make it move. So I will show you guys in the later communication here.
有买家进入直播间了。
Stream, I will teach you guys how to use this kind of the products and explain a lot of the information about the suitcase, not only for the battery and is that possible to take onto the plan, because a lot of customers are caring about this question. And also next, I have to show you guys the certifications about our company's products, and also the battery certifications if you guys need it. And I will brief introduction of these products first. So you guys will see this is a kind of simple smart riding luggage. 对不上焦。And for using this smart riding luggage, we can actually do using this luggage. And here you see, this is a riding mode. It's more like a simple, like a electronic scooters. But when we press the button behind, press this button behind, it can make this luggage broke. 坏了，不是没电，有电。没电了，电池有电啊。So it can make this luggage to stretch in and stretch out. Like this. When we press the button at behind, it can make this luggage to stretch in very conveniently. And also if you want to adjustable this height, also you can have like a buckle, open it can make this handles back here. And also we will have another trail on the back here, so we can clean it up. So when we're using this smart riding luggage, it can be used like the normal one. So you can use your hand to hold on that, and you can like stretch out to everywhere you want. And then if you want to using the electronic mode, you just need to putting this handle up. And so when you're sitting on this luggage, it will be very more comfortable. And we can lock here. So to make sure this control handle is stable on this way. And then we just need to press this button on the back here. So it can make this a smart electronic scooter to stretch out to be the using mode. So then we can actually sitting on the here and we make this luggage go ahead, brakes and reversing. So that is quite convenient. And also for this smart riding luggage, the speed or the power for this electronic luggage is very enough. Like the maximum speed for this riding mode is up to 13 kilometers per hour. So it can very easily to pass this like a straight out. So it can be very easily to go ahead, reversing or turn around. So it's a very good product for you guys to use. And the speed for this one went up to 13 kilometers per hour. So like the almost its speed reached to the electronic bike. So when we're using this smart riding luggage, the speed is quite fast. So we can normally to using it like just normal communication, like a daily communication tools, to replace your public transport, replace the cars, replace your bike, replace your scooters. So that is a very good product for you guys to taking and to using, because it's not only can be like the normal riding electronic scooter, but also for this one, when you're sitting on that the sitting sides, behind the sitting sides, it's got quite a large storage space. I can open that and show you guys how big inside. So because this one is like a 20-inch carrying luggage, so the size is normally like the normal electronic normal luggage suitcase, which is 20-inch. So inside, we got quite a large storage space. You can put in everything into this luggage. And one thing's different to compare the normal luggage and this one, because we have like a motor inside this area. So it will be a little bit lowering down the capacity space, but it's still got quite a lot of space for you guys to store things. And in this area, under this like bottom here, it's about the mantle and this jet pipe. So inside we have to get more space for them. But otherwise, other space from this luggage inside is all for your luggage. So you can store everything you need for this luggage in here. So for this riding luggage in front here, we also got a small design, which is our like small packing area. So in this area, it's very, very convenient because we make it quite big. So you can store your laptop, you can store your notebooks, especially for the businessmen, if they want to go to have like business travel, and when they go out, it will be very convenient for you guys to store your laptop and notebook or everything you need in these places. And also if you are like girls and you want to store other things, here is a quite large space for you guys to store your clothes, your makeups, your washable things. So that is quite a large space for you to take in that. And I thought if you go out only for 1 week, like 3 to 5 days, I thought this will be very, very convenient for you guys to using this luggage to storage things and to taking them for the trip. And so that is about the big capacity of this luggage. So the capacity for this one were up to 21 liter capacity space. So I thought it will be very convenient.
有买家进入直播间了。
And also for this, in this area, it's a quite large space, so we can put in our computers, our laptops, we can storage mobile phone, we can storage iPad, everything you need. And also to make sure we can like to getting things from this area very easily. So we also get like a front open design. And it's a half open, so we can see here we got like 2 lockers in this side here. And if you want to go to when we go to the airlines, we can actually just storage laptop in this area, so that will be very convenient for you guys using. And when we taking this luggage out, it will be very convenient to use. Okay, that's also in this area. So in the front here, we also design a Tsa Coder Lock. So maybe you guys not see it very clearly in this area, but it's showing here. This is about the Tsa lock. So we can storage like a two. So we will have to take some people coming and we will.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys. Hi guys, we will start our live stream later moment. Please just wait a moment. So we will have to take some people coming and we will start very soon. Okay. 可以吗？能看到吗？ OK OK， 在正中间吗？往后 OK 吗？没关系，我一个人可以。So guys, just wait a moment. We will begin our live stream very soon. So just take your time and we will very soon to begin our live stream today. So just let me prepare everything and we will start very soon.
有买家进入直播间了。
So guys, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our live stream. So we will start our live stream today very soon, and please just wait a moment. Hello guys, welcome to our live stream today. So I will start our live stream very soon. So firstly, I have to introduce about our company. So our company is about the very high technology company, and we're producing a lot of the kind of the products. So today, in today's live stream, I will show you guys the most like hot selling products in our company right here about our smart riding luggage suitcase. So you guys can see here is one of our smart riding luggage. And also we will get another one. So those two are both 20-inch carry-on luggage, And also I have to bring you guys another one, which is most largest one. So here we can see this one in the front. This one is 24-inch carry-on checked-in luggage. So it's a 24-inch, but it's not can be taken onto the plane. It have to be checked in. And also there's all about those three luggage about a smart riding luggage. And also another 24-inch, which is a quite big one. So I can show you guys in here. So this is about our SE3, which is a much larger smart riding luggage. And you will see that it's very, very for comfortable suitcase, and it's most suitable for the daily commuting, and also it's most suitable for you guys to using for the older people. Yeah. And okay, so I've already shown you guys a lot of the kind of the smart riding suitcase. So now I will like to introduce them more detail about them just one by one. And in the first hours, I will introduce our smart riding luggage SE3S. So this one is a 20-inch electronic luggage. So that is a 20. 点一下。
有买家进入直播间了。
So this one is a 20-inch electronic like a luggage scooter. So we can actually sitting on that. And for our legs, we can put in these small wheels. So we can use it to ride. And it will be very, very convenient for you guys to use in these products. So I will show you guys at first. So when we want to use it, we have to press this power button on the back here. So we'll make sure it can be used. And then we can sit on that, and we can put our like feet. It's those 2 foot rails. So foot panels. So we can use in this smart riding luggage. Like we can take in it very fast, and we can ride on that very conveniently. And not only go ahead, but also we can reversing like this, and we can stop everywhere we want because we have like a very effective like brakes. So how to use that and how to make it move. So I will show you guys in the later communication here.
有买家进入直播间了。
I will teach you guys how to use this kind of the products and explain a lot of the information about the suitcase, not only for the battery and is that possible to take onto the plane, because a lot of customers are caring about this question. And also next, I have to show you guys the certifications about our company's products, and also the battery certifications if you guys need it. And I will brief introduction of these products first. So you guys will see this is a kind of suitable smart riding luggage. 对不上焦。 And for using this smart riding luggage, we can actually do using this luggage. And here you see, this is a riding mode. It's more like a seat for like electronic scooters. But when we press the button behind, press this button behind, it can make this luggage broke. 坏了，不是没电，有电，没电了，电池有电啊。So it can make this luggage to stretch in and stretch out. Like this. When we press the button at behind, it can make this luggage to stretch in very conveniently. And also if you want to adjustable this height, also you can have like a barcode, open it can make this handles back here. And also we will have another trail on the back here, so we can clean it up. So when we're using this smart riding luggage, it can be used like the normal one. So you can use your hand to hold on that, and you can like stretch out to everywhere you want. And then if you want to using the electronic mode, you just need to putting this handle up, and so when you're sitting on this luggage, it will be very more comfortable. And we can lock here. So to make sure this control handle is stable on this way, and then we just need to press this button on the back here, so it can make this a smart electronic scooter to stretch out to be the using mode. So then we can actually sitting on the here, and we make this luggage go ahead, brakes, and reversing. So that is quite convenient. And also for this smart riding luggage, the speed or the power for this electronic luggage is very enough. Like the maximum speed for this riding mode is up to 30 kilometers per hour. So it can very easily to pass this like a straight out. So it can be very easily to go ahead, reversing or turn around. So it's a very good product for you guys to use. And the speed for this one were up to 13 kilometers per hour. So like the almost its speed reached to the electronic bike. So when we're using the smart riding luggage, the speed is quite fast. So we can normally to using it like just normal communication, like a daily communication tools, like to replace your public transport, replace the cars, replace your bike, replace your scooters. So that is a very good product for you guys to taking and to using, because it's not only can be like the normal riding electronic scooter, but also for this one, when you're sitting on that the sitting sides, behind the sitting sides, it's got quite a large storage space. I can open that and show you guys how big inside. So because this one is like a 20-inch carrying luggage, so the size is normally like the normal electronic normal luggage suitcase, which is 20-inch. So inside, we got quite a large storage space. You can put in everything into this luggage. And one thing's different to compare the normal luggage and this one, because we have like a motor inside this area. So it will be a little bit lowering down the capacity space, but it's still got quite a lot of space. for you guys to store things. And in this area, under this bottom here, it's about the mantle and this jet pipe. So inside we have to get more space for them. But otherwise, other space from this luggage inside is all for your luggage. So you can store everything you need for this luggage in here. So for this riding luggage in front here, we also got a small design, which is our small packing area. So in this area, it's very, very convenient because we make it quite big. So you can store your laptop, you can store your notebooks, especially for the businessmen, if they want to go to have like business travel, and when they go out, it will be very convenient for you guys to store your laptop and notebook or everything you need in these places. And also, if you are like girls and you want to store other things, here is a quite large space for you guys to store your clothes, your makeups, your washable things. So that is quite a large space for you to take in that. And I thought if you go out only for 1 week, like 3 to 5 days, I thought this will be very, very convenient for you guys to using this luggage to store things and to taking them for the trip. And so that is about the big capacity of this luggage. So the capacity for this one were up to 21 liter capacity space. So I thought it will be very convenient.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yeah. And also for this, in this area, it's a quite a large space, so we can put in our computers, our laptops, we can store mobile phone, we can store iPad, everything you need. And also to make sure we can getting things from this area very easily. So we also get like a front open design, and it's a half open. So we can see here we got like 2 lockers in this side here. And if you want to go to, when we go to the airlines, we can actually just storage laptop in this area. So that will be very convenient for you guys using. And when we taking this luggage out, it will be very convenient to use. Okay, that's also in this area. So in the front here, we also designed a Tsa Coder Lock. So maybe you guys not see it very clearly in this area, but it's showing here. This is about the Tsa lock. So we can store to set the password for your luggage suitcase, for your suitcase. And this is a 3 number like a password. So when you get this luggage, so normally the random